If I catch this chain, I go break your head. Everything about going to support him. I go in my hand and money cook finish. Uchina go carry him babe. Come finish my food. Papa no go talk. Maybe I catch her first. Make you don't worry.
Hey, young girl. Come here.
Good afternoon, sir. No vex. My brother, they make me talk anyhow. I work.
How dare you?
I don't understand. I don't greet you now.
Who are you and where are you from?
I come from this village. Not you be Papa Chisom. Who don't know you? My papa na Iche Okonkwo. My name is Chikaima.
Oh, so you are a true daughter of this land. You saw me and you cannot bow down to greet me. Have you forgotten about the tradition of this land?
I don't understand. Now me they talk to. I'll be another person there for here. What did they stop now?
I said bow down and use your head to touch ground to greet your Ezemo.
As waiting. Say who you be. If you say don't smoke ukpumiri. All this kind one that they drink, look like they juice are not good for your body. They go not too much for your body. What did they stop you now? I don't on my own, they find my brother, I don't look for your trouble, I don't fight you. Don't collect what not be your own, no. If I don't vex me, I don't collect my greeting back. I don't greet you again.
Stop there!
See, I clear you, You go warn yourself, then they feed my papa. You dey hear me? Go brush your mouth, because your mouth they smell. You get levels. See, Papa Chisom, you don't gather moral. I see your moral. I see you. Mugu.
This girl has dared me. She has dared me. I shall come back for you. I shall come back for you.
Her own day, her body. Wahala no dey fear. Double love. No be say them say the girl no well about. Chikaima no dey fear anybody.
Hey, young girl. Hey.
Good evening, my prince. How you dey?
Nice looking. Spin, turn around.
Nothing to turn around though, because in normal, no be fine girl, everybody know, so nothing to show.
What's your name?
Chikaima.
Get into the car.
You say waiting.
Get into the car.
I thought your car say waiting happen. What did they stop for the car?
I hate repeating myself. Get into the car.
Your car have fried rice. Or got shift. You mad. You mad.
Hey, hey!
Okay.
If you step on it here, I will order my girls to bundle you inside the car. How dare you? Have you forgotten that I'm the crown prince of this kingdom? Huh?
Why they shout like mad person? I know that you be the prince of this kingdom. What's it gonna happen? See, as I did like this, I'm not there in this mood at all. You see this message from my hand, I go buy it for my brother. We just rescue him from one evil forest now. I don't understand what make you they shout. What be your problem? What be your own?
Chikaima, I said I want to make you my wife. My queen. Go and tell your father that I'm coming for you.
I said they be queen. You don't ask whether you be my spec. You go ask me first, say what be your spec. Okay, you not be my spec. I can never be your queen. You can never be my man. I get my man, oh, my own boyfriend, what I love. You not fit in. You don't whine. What I want use you do?
Say that to my face again.
I say, Chikaima, Okonkwo Precious, no go fit marry you, not by force.
Chikaima.
Oh, wait. I make you slap. You dey mad. Go and your head. Don't try him again, no. Man, I enter you.
Chikama.
Look at this fool.
You dare slap me?
Get out! I go beat you again. Don't you go beat you. I go beat you again, Oga.
Chikama, you dare slap me?
Get out!
Guards! Get her! Get her! Get her! Get her! You dare slap me?
Now, Papa! Try him now! Try him! Now, Papa! Try him now! Try him! Hey! Hey! Nine! Chupafa! Run after them! Chineke, now what is this? Hi. Which kind of dream be this? Guards, they pursue me. I can't dey run. What thing I don't do again? God, I don't talk say I won't be good girl. Oh. What thing I do? I beat Igwe. Which kind of tempo run be this? How much you want withdraw?
Mama, 20,000.
Na 600 though.
I beg now, do it for 400.
No, na 600 I beg.
Okay, well, fine. Do it.
Put your pin. Declined.
Decline for where now?
Decline.
Wait oh. Oh, sorry. Mama, no now. They don't beat me. See, they don't beat me. How come we can't become decline? What's happened?
Madam, go your bank when they give you your money. It's declined. I'm not there with your money.
Say they don't beat me.
Now network. If you go to your bank, they will give it to you. They go.
I don't know. If I say be thief, and now like this, they just take people money.
They mad.
Madam, you slap me.
They mad. Who they call TV?
So
They come on for this place.
Madam, you slap me. Okay, now they come.
Nonsense.
Say, now you happy? Don't worry, we don't come for you.
What happen?
Why will you slap my sister?
Why no go slap? Why she go call me thief?
She be not sure, happy?
Yeah, she's.
Okay, I know the thief. I never thief for my life before.
So when she said he declined and they beat her, you didn't want to give her the money. Why?
Oh.
Make she go bank go collect her money. I am not with her money.
You must be a thief. You must be a criminal. What do you
Oga
mean?
no insult me.
How do you mean?
Bros, collect that.
Madam, you try. No, Oga, don't try yam. You dey mad,
No, my boss.
you dey mad.
Hey!
God punish you now.
Her own day, her body. Wahala no dey fear am. The girl no bokobi, bokiripo change. If you carry wahala come, he go give you double love. No be say them say the girl no well about. Chica him no dey fear anybody.
Oh, shit. Oh, my.
What is going on here? Afam? What's the meaning of this?
What is it? What is what, Dad?
On my bed?
And so what? Why can't you allow me to enjoy myself? Don't you know in abroad we don't have threesome there? What's the problem?
On my bed you are making out with my maidens?
I say continue, please. They are my subjects. So let me enjoy myself.
Now get out.
Do you want me to sleep with
I
you?
said get out, get out.
Don't go anywhere.
Get out.
You go nowhere.
Tell him to go.
Go where? Go where?
You
Then
dare
go
me?
nowhere. Go nowhere.
You dare me?
Nowhere. Sit down. Then go nowhere. Go. Come here.
I am disappointed at
I am
you.
disappointed at you. What's all this?
Do you realize that you are a crown prince?
And so what?
And this is the kind of life you want to live?
And so what? I should not enjoy myself?
On my bed.
So what?
You are, oh, I don't just know what to call you. I don't know what to call you. And now, where is my money?
Which money?
My $2,000 you stole from this my room. Where is my money?
I used it for something very important.
And you had to steal it? You made yourself a thief? Did I send you abroad to learn how to steal?
Yes, you did.
I sent you abroad.
Of course you did.
So you agree that you are a thief?
Yes, and you are a
A
thief.
shameless one at that.
You are a father to a thief.
I said, where is my money? I want my money.
Which money?
I want my money.
Don't
where is my
touch.
Where is my money?
Which money?
I said, where is my money?
What money?
Where is my money?
Excuse me! What is going on here?
First of all, your son stole my money. And that's what he does all the time.
Oh, really?
Then two, I met him making out with two of my maidens on my bed.
Your Majesty, let me understand you very well. Which one is the problem here? Making out with your maidens or that he stole your money? Which of them? Let me ask you this question, Your Majesty. If he did not take your money, whose money will he take?
Oh!
Anything that belongs to you belongs to him as well. This is the future king.
Including sleeping with women on my bed?
Oh, Your Majesty.
Oh, there's something wrong with you, obviously.
Oh, Your Majesty, it means nothing. Have you forgotten that this is modern times? In the Western world, they do it, they call it nothing. It's just making out and having fun.
No,
so
it is...
allow the young man to be.
No. Now listen to me. It is our tradition to make sure that children are well brought up.
Oh, tradition, my foot! We are the people that make the tradition. We can change it at any time. This is modern time. So we have to change it. He is the future king. He will do whatever he wants to do. So what is the meaning of this?
Stupidity is what you are saying.
Common $2,000.
Yeah, what is that? I was downstairs. I was hearing noise.
Oh no, look at the decadence that they have brought to my kingdom. I met him sleeping with two maidens on my bed.
Point of correction, haven't
He steals my money every minute of the day.
Point of correction, he took his father's money.
He stole his father's money.
He took it.
I did not give it to him, and so that's stealing.
Your money is his money.
It's not. Let him make his money.
Mom, 100 for you.
Now, where's my money?
You better go and call those girls. Because I'm not done enjoying them.
Where is my money?
I am not done with it.
Oh man, allow the boy.
Where is my money? Where is my money?
That was
No! Where is my money?
What is all this?
You won't bring my money.
Bring the money.
Allow him.
Mom, talk to your husband.
Where is my money?
Talk to your husband.
Allow him to be. What is this now?
If he doesn't give me my $2,000, he goes
What will
nowhere.
happen?
Then what will happen?
Allow him.
I want my money. I want my money. Leave me alone. I want my money. Leave me alone. Give me my money.
You push me this way. You push the keys out. You push the keys.
Your Majesty, have you seen what it cost? Have you seen what it cost? Come on, $2,000. That is why you are making noise. Come on, $2,000. Look at it. Had it been that something happened to you now, it should be because of common $2,000. Okay, good at it. It is your bed. Lie down. No, relax very well. There are certain things you will see and you will let go. An old man like you, don't respect yourself.
Because of my ancestors, we punish you.
You let them punish you.
Because of my ancestors, we punish you.
They have started punishing you.
How are you, my good friend? I have told you to leave that your son alone. Do not let that boy kill you. He's a very stubborn boy. An idiot. If not for my wife, I would have arrested him. I would have sent the police to make him spend the rest of his life in prison. Yes, your house is my house and my house is your house. You can come and visit us. I am home. Come and relax. Yes.
May the gods have mercy on Prince Alpha.
What has that boy turned into? What is wrong with him?
It's unbelievable.
How can a man be so eager to take the life of his own father? How?
I am wondering.
Ah! And His Highness is a high blood pressure patient. What is going on? Why is this boy doing this?
I don't know what to do about this situation.
Oh. Good morning, Your Majesty. Good morning, my queen.
How are you doing today? Your look is so beautiful.
Oh, thank you, you too.
Thank you.
I'm doing great. Thank you so much, my queen.
You're welcome.
Your Majesty, is everything okay? You look worried.
Yes, it's okay. Just little troubles.
Oh.
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Okay. My queen, I'll be inside.
Okay. You're always welcome.
Thank you so much, my queen. Thank you. Thank you.
I am pained.
I know.
I am very pained. Because my friend, Igwe Declan, would never listen to me. I warned him about that ugly woman. Imagine a woman that the mother had killed the father and reported to the kinsman that he slipped off the bathroom and died.
Not again. Your Highness, why do you always come up with this story?
I have to, because I am pained about this situation. And even it was later discovered that the woman was banished with the 3 children. It is that bad.
This is pathetic. Honestly. But I still talk to your friend to leave the palace.
We were in the secondary school together. And that's the part that pains me.
All you need to do is to keep talking to him to leave the palace. Else that boy will kill him.
You said we open POS for here?
Yes, please. This space is enough for us, for the both of us to operate.
Not be say enough space. My papa gets this land though. Now you get everywhere. But you be copper now. How you wanted to do POS can they serve?
No, it's not a problem. At least after my PPA, I can come here and just hustle a day. At least 2,000-3,000 naira is something. It will help me.
Let me say you go see my papa or make a reason with you. But I know say you go agree, but I need to talk.
Really? But I don't know your father.
Don't worry, when you reach there, una go talk, you go know him. Okay. Where are you from? Wait, so this guy. Now you they withdraw money from me. Now only you want to open POS. You just they pursue me, they go everywhere where they go in the shop. Eh?
I just want to.
Okay. I go teach you now.
Why is he always fighting our king? Why?
That boy is a menace. Yes, I fear for our kingdom.
He actually pushed our king for the 3rd time and the queen did not do anything.
Do what? When the queen is the person who has always been supporting him. Huh? Because let us change this topic and talk about a better thing.
Papa, who locked the kitchen?
Lock the kitchen as how? I don't understand.
Papa, what don't you understand? I am asking, who locks the kitchen? In fact, why would the person lock the kitchen when I'm still in this house? Who locked that kitchen?
You are here as what? As a minister of food or as a provider or as what? Tell me.
Papa, I am asking you now, who locked that kitchen? I've been saying this because I will break that kitchen. I'm asking you for the last time, who locked that kitchen?
Oh no, look at this man. In fact, look at this good for nothing. I don't even know how I'm going to use to address you. He knows nothing more than food. Everybody ate breakfast here in the morning. And now it's not up to 12 o'clock. We are going to the kitchen. What are you going there to go and do for?
Papa, what else if not food?
I said it.
A hungry man is an angry man.
I am asking for the last time, who locked the kitchen? Because Nga Pakada kitchen right now. Who locked that kitchen?
Oh no. Look at this boy. Go to the farm and help your mom. Ojuraju. Go to Panya. Go to South. You are just eating only food. He eats for a living.
Papa, you don't want to tell me who locks the kitchen. A hungry man is an angry man. I am saying this because I will break that kitchen right now.
Uchenna, go to shop and collect key from your sister. Oh yeah, leave.
No problem. Both of us will die there today.
If you like, die. If we see, look at his hair like a mbadi kenda ugeze.
Hey, you have a son here.
Oh no, we can't.
This boy will eat down Yayamba. Okay, you don't buy a football. Oh, the hell, go.
You dey mad? Say my pop, come out from my front. Make I give you key as to waiting. Every night you go enter kitchen, they collect meat for pot, food go they spoil. If you try am, I no go give you the key.
Now me the shot for. Now give me the key, I go carry my food. Chop. Which kind of nonsense be that one? Don't provoke me, oh. Not provoke me, oh.
I be the shot for.
Give me the key.
I go mend you for here and I go beat your block if you dey mad.
Bro, see if you
I be the shout for.
It's okay. I go scatter this step, no.
No.
Hey.
Try am, I no give
me the key.
Just
calm down.
Collect the key. See this boy, you dey follow me. You dey follow me.
Wait, you like me? I mean, you like me?
I mean, you dey follow me.
Come, police, come.
Uchenna! 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 Uchenna!
Chikaima.
Papa, why Uchenna?
Chikaima, Ogini. What is it?
You see your pikin, if I catch her today, I go kill him. He no fear, carry my POS machine run. POS machine until they make money. Uchenna carry him. Ben Johnson, he don't pay for him. If I catch him, when I go hear the scores.
Chikaima, you not kill me in this house. You and your brother will not kill me in this house.
Okay, now you dey talk, Abi. We will not kill you in this house. Papa, if I catch Uchenna, I go forget 2 by 2 for your head. They said my name is Chikama. I know well, when I go ask question, I go beat blood come out for your body. My POS machine, I think they play. You don't whine.
Chikaima, go and kill him. Yes, go and kill your brother. Kill him and eat him like food.
Now you dey talk, Abi.
No, you will not kill me in this house.
Now go hear this cause.
Hey! Oh no, we forget.
Ichie, when will this war in your house end? This time around, it is Chikaima. The other time it was Uchenna. These people will kill you. They will kill you. Fight for yourself or they will kill you. I'm going. Please, I'm going.
Oh no.
I'm going. No more discussion. I'm going.
If I catch this Uchenna, I go break your head. Everything about go to support him. I go in my hand and money cook finish. Uchenna go carry him babe. Come finish my food. Papa no go talk. Let I catch her first. Make you no worry.
Hey, young guy. Come here.
Good afternoon, sir. No vex. My brother they make me talk anyhow. I work.
How dare you?
I don't understand. I don't greet you now.
Who are you and where are you from?
I come from this village. No be Papa Chisom. Who know you? My papa na Iche Okonkwo. My name is Chikaima.
Oh, so you are a true daughter of this land. You saw me and you cannot bow down to greet me. Have you forgotten about the tradition of this land?
I don't understand. Now me they talk to, I'll be another person there for here. What did they stop now?
I said bow down and use your head to touch ground to greet your Ezemo.
As waiting. Say who you be. If you say don't smoke ukpumiri. All this kind one that they drink, make na they juice are not good for your body. Ogogoro too much for your body. What did they stop you now? I don't on my own, they find my brother jejeje. I don't look for your trouble, I don't fight you. Don't collect what's not be your own, no. If I don't vex me, I don't collect my greeting back. I don't greet you again.
Stop there!
See, ma clear you, You go warn yourself, you know they feed my papa. You hear me? Go brush your mouth, because your mouth is smell. You get levels. See, papa cheat some, you don't gather moral. I see your moral. I see you. Mugu.
This girl has dared me. She has dared me. I shall come back for you. I shall come back for you.
Her own day, her body. Wahala no dey fear am. The girl no bokobi, bokiripo jay. If you carry wahala come, you go.
Uchenna libe only eating anu, because that is the only thing you came to do in this world, to eat and to chase woman.
Mama,
Afibial.
Mama, listen. Talk to Kaima. Talk to her. Talk to her.
We can make it. Just go and return that her POS machine. Because of food, you ran away with your sister's POS machine. You are playing with her business.
Mama,
you are
listen.
so mean. Welcome.
Mama, I will return it when I'm done eating. See this food? I'll finish it.
Come on, go and return it.
Yeah.
Go and return it. Better return it.
If I return, I'm gonna
better
make my hand
return
dey
it.
like this.
You say again?
Make my hand dey like this.
Ah! Hey! Hey! Chica, mama. Mama, leave him.
God will judge you.
For me because leave him. You want to kill him for me? You somewhere? Oh yeah, stand up. Stand up.
Look at what she did to me because of food. Look at my back. Look at my spinal cord. She want to kill me because of ordinary food. When
you took her POS machine, what do you expect? When you took her POS machine, what do you expect? Something that she uses to fetch money. Huh? Not trying to
look at what she did to my rice and egg. Look at.
That's what I that. Leave it phone. You know, you the remaining.
Okonkwo.
Wise one.
Okonkwo. Okonkwo.
Wise one.
If not that you are a man I know too well, if not that you are a respecter of the gods and tradition, I would have crippled your daughter instantly. I would have made her to understand that when you close your eyes against the storm, you wake up in the ruins of your own house.
Wise one, thank you so much for not doing it. You know, my wife and my daughter, they are churchgoers, and you know I'm a traditionalist. So I am very sorry on her behalf, please.
Okay, I don't care if your daughter is a Christian or not. She has to get a white rag to appease the gods. The gods are angry.
Wise one, but I just told you that my wife and my daughter, they are Christians, and my daughter she's a little girl. Please forgive her, please.
Okay, sir.
Wise one.
Warn your daughter she has only 3 days. 3 days to provide a white ram and 6 bottles of shinab to appease the gods. Okalam Modu Okalam has spoken.
Hey! All kinds of ways. Let me call her. Hey! Umazi, I get him now, Subu. Obidie, please come back home right now. Agwan on Akerika, wherever you are. Leave all those questions. Just come back home now. Hi.
I don't collect him, but you don't tell him.
He's your brother.
I know he's my brother, but they misbehave too much. And every time I do all this in nonsense, my parents go to support him. He don't use less, finish. I do a shaggy. It's not something I do more.
Chikaima. No be small thing that happen for a house like this.
What's happen?
As I dey follow you, they talk like this. Every more day for a compound, they shout, they give your father.
I don't understand. How?
No be small thing.
Wait, my papa, they call me. Papa?
Chikaima, come back home this minute because if I should meet you there, I'm going to set that place ablaze. Come back home right now.
No, take it easy.
Take it easy. Chika.
I will not have my daughter to be disrespectful. No, never.
Nai, Chikaima, my daughter, can never meet an elder on the road without greeting him or her. I can bet my chest. Okay, I know the daughter I brought up.
Shut up! Shut up! I've told you that you are the one spoiling all my children. I've told you that. Yes! What is the big deal for Chikaima to bow down and greet the chief priest of this kingdom? What is the big deal there?
I can beat my chest. Chikaima can never do it. What why you were calling and ranting? I totally support my daughter on this. I support her. She will not bow or genuflect to any chief. She will not genuflect to any high chief. What can you do? I agree with you. What is it? Please, I know the daughter that I brought up well.
At this point,
I was even doing something when you called me. I was attending to Uchenna because she hit him. I mean, she attacked him with a log of firewood there in the farm.
It's not my business. It's not my business. It's not my business. Let her come back here. That is my own. Besides, I don't even have any money to spend on anybody. What is the problem?
I don't even have dime. I brought my daughter very well. I brought her up. I am a Christian. My daughter is a Christian. Oh, good
that he become one that he be.
Chief priest that he be. Leave my daughter alone. I brought her up very well. I'm on one solo. I'm on one.
Hey, baby. Babe, I've missed you so much. You have no idea. You know the feeling, right? I mean, I can't wait to be in your arms. When are you wrapping the project? Come on, babe, switch to video call. No? Why? Babe, I'm here. I'm in the palace with your parents as usual. Okay, babe, you know what? You just go ahead and send me some nice pictures before I leave here, okay? Send nice pictures, cute pictures before I leave, babe, before I leave. All right, I love you. Mwah. Bye.
Wow. Sexy. Just can't wait to see you again, my love. Yeah, my princess. I've seen the pictures, they're beautiful. Girl, you're so fine. So when are you leaving the house? Visit my mom? Okay. Okay.
Sorry. But why will you be fighting your elder sister? Eh? You should have come to the house. I will give you enough food to eat now.
Come and do what? Relationship that is not up to 2 weeks.
Does it matter? Eh? It doesn't matter. Oh yeah, wait. Eh? Let me apply this thing on your back. Eh? It should clear the bruises, okay? Sorry. Ndo. Sorry now. Ndo. Sorry.
Okay.
You avoid that now. Stop playing with her, please. I think my father is there. Relax now. Papa, you're back.
Ikuku.
Papa, you're back.
Yes.
Welcome.
I am back, thank you. Go and get me a cup of water to drink.
Okay, Papa. Uchenna. Papa, I'm coming.
Thank you. Is food ready?
Huh?
Are you normal? I am asking if food is ready.
No. About to.
About what? You mean since I left this house, you have not prepared food? Eh? What is wrong with you?
Nothing.
So I will leave you. Good afternoon. See you later.
Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Who is she?
My friend.
Which of your friends? Do you have any friend in this village that I do not know? You just came back from Lagos. How come you have a friend that I do not know in the whole of this village?
Papa, she's just my friend. I met her last week.
Okay, just come on, shut up there.
Yes.
Go keep this one inside the house.
Yes, sir.
Go first and get me food ready. Nonsense. Ikuku. Ikuku.
No try am o. I no do am. If I try am, I puff.
Chikaima.
If I try am, I bend. I'm not gonna bend my back for anybody. For wetin na? You dey whine? Man carry my hard-earned money, my business money, go buy ram for one stupid chief priest. When I carry na stupid and you come out from my front o.
Chikaima, you say you will not do what?
I say I no go do am. I be talk am. I no go serve 2 masters. I no go serve juju, come dey serve God. For wetin?
Do you see your daughter?
I no go try am. Sure? You dey whine me? You wan whine my Jehovah God? God wey dey see everything with the clear eyes? God wey no need ogogoro to know wetin dey sup? God wey go declare everything in seconds, things go dey sup? Yes. I no go try am, Papa. I no go carry my hard-earned money go give that stupid cheap piece I dey buy one yeye ram. Mama, see wetin sup o? I dey on my own o. I dey go find new trainer. Now I see this juju priest for road. He say make I bow for am. Eh? Make I bow. How will it be? Papa, if they tell you say I go bow to any juju priest, you go believe am.
Chikaima! Now you leave her alone. Okay, now be able, Father. Let her be, oh. I will not be happy with you if something should happen to my daughter. I will not take it lightly, oh. Happy I can cause.
Mama, you dey waste your energy. Chill. Nothing fit sup. You dey whine. Nothing go fit happen to me. Me, Chikama. How? I no dey fear anybody, oh. Only God I dey fear. Bele no dey fear. Na make am face front.
Are you people aware that I'm a title man in this community? Are you aware?
Papa, if you be title man for your pocket, nobody send you message. All I know be say, I no go give any ram to any stupid juju man. I no go try am. I no go fit.
Mama, Papa, who is this one? Where is this one coming from?
Make I thank God for me today. Now God save me. Now
why do you dress like this?
Una pikin don mad finish o.
Hey, Okonkwo, ifugi ihe mụrụ.
Each time that stupid boy gives you trouble, come here and relax. This is your second home. Do not let that boy kill you. Do you understand me?
Your Highness, you need to listen to your friend. I'm sure you know he that fights and runs away lives to fight another day. So you running away from trouble is better than dying in it. Your Highness, if you keep allowing Prince Afam to frustrate you, you will die. And when you die, life continues. So listen to your friend, please.
But how long will I continue to run away from my own son? An infant I carried in my hands when his mother delivered him. We're talking about my son here. Gods of my ancestors, I curse the day I refuse to heed your advice.
Yes, but it's okay.
I remember vividly. You warned me not to marry that evil woman. You did.
Yes, but it's okay. This is not what you should be talking about now. Relax yourself.
Do you know I have not eaten since morning?
What?
When I said I have not eaten since morning, I have not had my breakfast.
This is barbaric.
Oh, no. You need to do something about it.
She instructed the chef not to prepare anything for me until I gave her the 25 million naira that she is demanding for. And when I asked her what she wanted the money for, she wouldn't speak. And she's aware that my son stole my money.
But why would she be doing this? Knowing fully well that you're not fine. Anyway, Your Highness, you're welcome here. Feel free. Don't worry, you'll be fine. Okay? I think I need to get the meal myself.
Oh, please be fast about that so that my friend can have something to eat. My good friend, just relax. You are going to be all right.
Thank you so much.
You just need to be careful about that boy.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
How are you?
Your Majesty, I wish to return to my kingdom now.
Okay. Tell your mother that I would like to see her tomorrow.
All right, Your Majesty. Shall we?
Be safe when you drive, huh?
All right, Your Majesty. Thank you.
So, my friend, it is important that you take care of yourself.
Yeah, baby. I'm leaving the palace already. Meet me there right away. Just go into my car right away. Okay.
Obiora, you don't stay here for long, go.
Yes, I am free today.
You know what thing go sup, eh? Tomorrow, carry your table and chair and your POS stand. Come set them for here. I go chest them. No need to tell my papa. Country hard, you know, easy for anybody. Now also all of us the hustle.
Hey, oh, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I'm grateful. Which means I can start immediately.
Immediately, tomorrow, sharp. Zubo, I say they hot.
Thank you.
You don't get table, chair, and umbrella.
Yes, everything, including the machine.
You mean business, oh? Just like that.
Just like that.
No wahala.
Oh, thank you, like I said. Tell me, how did it go with the priest, the chief priest?
No mind that mad man. That chief priest, they mad, though. He go my papa say, me, I go buy ram, give ram to appease the juju. Me, Chikaima. I tell him, say I no go try him. They mad. I no go fit.
Wait, are you joking?
I'm not a joke, oh. I tell him, say I be Christian, charismatic for that matter. I no go fit serve God, serve juju. I tell him, say I no go try him. No sense.
Oh my God. Are you that fearless? We're talking about the chief priest.
Me, I be chief priestess. I know they fear anybody. I know they look anybody face. You see that chief priest, if you try nonsense with me again, I swear to God, I go beat some man, they go use stretcher car and go in shrine. See what is up, oh? And they go find Uchenna for that this man see me say I must bow to him. As I know green, I be the problem, oh. But no one, if you try me again, he gods go run leave him. Don't whine.
Chikaima, please, I just want you to be very, very careful. Please, tread with caution.
I go there careful, but may nobody find my trouble. Because anybody will find my trouble, call it woto. I know well, lo. You whine.
Uchenna!
Mama, free me now. Which one is Uchenna again? Free me, Vico.
Come and sit down, there, Nolana. Uchenna, why were you on a female outfit today? What happened?
Mama, I'm using it to shoot content.
Say content. When did you start shooting content?
Mama, since today I've been shooting content with it. Is there any problem with that?
If I should ever believe you, then I am risking my life.
Mama, you no need to believe me. No believe me, because if you believe me, they risk your life. It's still important for this task. No believe me, cha. Ha.
Anyway, did you know that the chief priest came here to ask of your elder sister?
Mama, what you concern me with that? Okay, what Sam? You know like chief priest name. I was start them. See, nothing concern me for her matter. If not be that, say that girl and my sister. Mama, by now if I don't they wear black for her. And they tell you truth. Anything chief you want carry her do, make him just carry my statue for his sacrifice. No concern me. Nothing like that girl get the game. Mama, you make me talk too much, but if they pay me, if you hold the cake, give me, I go find food to eat. Give me.
I am saying important thing, and you are here saying chief pressure is and okay, it's only food that you are after. So
that girl when you talk about that, she resembles human being for your eye. With her agaba teeth, she is. Mama, I beg, I don't want all this matter again. See all my ribs here at night. As I talk, they hook me here. That food that they find.
That food you always find. So suddenly, it's your every time food. Which are that food? Only
Okay, Mama. Mama, since you no wan give me food again for this house, make I go outside go beg food. I dey hungry. I dey hungry, I beg.
Come on.
Mama, you no wan give me food again for this house. Make I go find food eat now. After that, I go say I stubborn.
What you don't want to belly? Go and beg in Kagini. Get your
You go follow.
Come and sit down.
You go follow.
I will give you food. Yeah, no, Sonny Kima. Eh? It's trouble. Sonny Kima. No, you laugh and wine. If I make it, you can't know what I belly.
Go bring the food now. If you want make us sit down here, go bring the food.
Yeah, hello, Mom. Mom, I think she's cheating on me. But first, I need to get my findings clear. Very soon, I'll be leaving my hotel. I have a meeting to attend to. Can we please continue this topic later in the evening when I'm back? Please, I need to cool my head off, please.
Okay, my son. It's all right. Remember to always be careful, okay? Talk to you when you come back. All right, bye.
Greetings, my queen. My queen, the food is ready. Please come and eat so that it won't get cold, my queen.
What did you prepare?
We prepared salad rice, my queen.
Okay.
All right, my queen.
Oh, God.
The queen of my heart. The ruler of my world.
My sugar boy. Are you thirsty? You like it? Wow.
So, what's up?
About the money? Don't worry. You know, I've already promised you that I'll give you the 25 million naira. But the only thing is that you have to give me some time. I'll give it to you, okay?
Babe, you know I really need to set up the studio and there's no much time. At least before this month ends. Come on, baby, do something.
Like I told you, it's a gradual process. Huh? I've told my husband to give me the 25 million. So as soon as he gives it to me, I will hand it over to you for you to open your mega studio. But even if he doesn't give me the money, I've already decided that I will sell one of my lands and make sure that my sugar boy is happy. You know your happiness is my concern.
There you go. You see why I love you? This is why I love you. Now you're saying something. Look at you, my queen.
Just drink. You see what? I just want you to keep on making me happy. Make me feel like a real woman. Whatever you want, just a snap of hand.
Yes.
I'll give it to you.
I trust
you. So you have nothing to worry about.
Baby, I love you so much.
And I love you, Ma.
You really need to learn how to talk to a woman, Afam. You can't keep treating and talking to me like I'm a dog.
So what are you? You are my dog, in case if you don't know.
You know what? You are lucky that you are so good in bed. But I find it difficult to resist you.
Ow.
You're slightly lucky.
Thank God I'm lucky. So when am I getting the money?
I told you my allowance is nuts. Hey, my man is calling.
No. Go on. Run your shit.
Be quiet. Hey, baby. Hey, my love. Yes, baby. Yes, babe, I'm home now. Kind of noisy background. Somewhere noisy. Yes, babe. Babe, what did you say? Video what? I should switch to video. Babe, I can't hear you. Can you hear me, baby? Hey, my love. Babe, you know what? Let me call you back. I can't hear you. The network is so bad. Alright, baby, I love you.
All the princesses will go to hellfire, says the future king of Oba Kingdom.
Whatever.
Shut!
Whatever.
Baby, I bought that.
God. That was close.
Listen, when am I getting the money?
I'll call you in again.
Look at me. Don't mess with me.
I am not messing with you.
I studied banking and finance in school. You don't see I'm not work no day anyway. I be dey work for bank. But that banking sector get a CB for the things they occur for that place. Everybody go want knock you. You see that customers go knock you or bank manager go knock you. Now say instead of me to go knock, make a kukuma carry my dignity intact, come out. Now run, come out, go start POS business.
Are you trying to tell me that you did not compromise at all?
Compromise waiting. No gain now. Gain day. No. See all these bankers they're no good. They knock themselves like dog. They chop themselves. They knock their body waiting no good. Eh? If you see what they put for there, my brother, you carry your 2 legs, you go run come out for that place. Now run no. You didn't whine. They say if you cannot beat them, you join them. Now I say, instead of me to beat or join, ma come out with my dignity intact. I know say one day God go bless me with money. I go open bank or microfinance bank. Everywhere go soft, everywhere go stew one day.
Well, I am proud of you. Very, very proud of you. I mean, your type is very rare. You know the crazy world of nowadays, people with shortcut of getting money and looking for flashy things and all of that. But look at you. You have your dignity and pride. You came out with it. No genuine relationship these days is all fake. So I am really proud of you, I must say. I am.
My guy, I don't want to make anybody mess my body up. You understand? Me, say, I dey proud of you.
Me too, thank you. You're so funny, I must say.
Thank you. We dey near my house, so. See this guy, you. I just dey follow you, the vibe, and I don't even know you like that. That means you be better person, because anybody who I vibe with, it means the person is poor. The person has good spirits.
Really? I see.
Make I dey go now.
All right, so
if I just take through stroll like this, bell like this, I'll just enter my house.
Okay. Take care of yourself.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Her own day, her body. Wahala no dey fear am. The girl no bokobi. Bokiripo chay. If you carry wahala come, we go give you double love. No be say them say the girl no well about. Chica ima no dey fear anybody.
Hey, young girl. Hey.
Good evening, my prince. How you dey?
Nice looking. Spin, turn around.
Nothing to turn around though, because in normal, no be fine girl, everybody know, so nothing to show.
What's your name?
Chikaima.
Get into the car.
You say waiting.
Get into the car.
Enter your car, say waiting happen. What did they stop for the car?
I hate repeating myself. Get into the car.
What kind of fried rice? Oga shift. You mad. You mad.
Hey!
Okay. This is not the meaning of that dream when I dream. And the meaning of that dream when I get be this.
Her own day, her body. Wahala no dey fear am. The girl no bakopi.
Chikaima, are you not the one I'm talking to? What is your problem?
Papa, not like this can't talk. No, they repeat this thing. I don't want to hear him. Mama, talk to your husband now.
Allow my daughter eat in peace now.
Then who will pay for the ram? Who will pay for the ram?
I no go pay for any stupid ram.
Did you hear her?
Even goat, I no go buy. She, I no go do for that stupid native doctor. I no go try him.
Nai, since you have the money, why don't you pay for it?
Oh yeah, Kim, when
But got here, buy it.
Pay for waiting. Eh? Make you not buy anything, no. Mama, Mama not try me, oh. Mama not tempt me. I not send you message. Not do anything for that stupid native doctor. Oh.
Did you hear her?
Anyway, let us change this topic.
Better. Because that stupid man no go see my 1 naira. And he no go fit do anything because I know they fear him. I know they fear anybody.
By the way, you said that you met Prince Afam on your way coming. What did he say to you? Did he ask you anything?
Mama, he tell me to make I enter a car, make I follow and go palace. I tell him I say for waiting. I Ben Johnson, I run no. No, say I tell you about my dream. I dream this afternoon. I don't want to make anything happen. I make I run.
Why did he ask you to follow him? Did you ask him?
I'm not bothered to ask. I don't want to know. Mama, won't allow me eat this food in peace, I beg.
You must buy the ram.
Chikaima no dey fear anybody. Chikaima no nonsense, girl no. Chikaima no send your papa.
Chika, good evening.
Where Papa? I want to see him. Where he dey?
He's not at home. He should be in his shrine.
He dey in shrine?
Yes.
Okay.
Chika, I hope all is well. I have not looked for my father before.
Now you go know say all is not well. Ogorone they jump out for broad daylight. You see there, Papa? It don't be for him. I want to see him now. Where they go? You said that here now. Where they go? I know the place. Hey! Thank God say I don't see you. I mean, they call your shrine. I beg you, get what I hear. I want to hear from your mouth. I want to understand what you talk, what you tell my papa. You say because I not bow to you, because I not worship you, say I go provide ram. Not true. I want to hear it directly from your mouth. Talk to me.
Ooh. Young girl.
Old man, not true. I've been a rumor.
How dare you obstruct the dreaded Dibia of Umbaoku kingdom? For doing this, you shall provide a live female cow.
Okay, not be ram again, a cow. Ogama, I warn you. If I catch you near my papa house again, if you carry any message, come give my papa again. I swear to God, I go enter your shrine, I go burn them. I'm not well, no. Go ask question.
What?
All those your stupid gods, I go burn them with fire.
What?
Don't try me, oh. Warn yourself. You don't whine.
Go and prepare your coffin, for you shall die.
Now you go die.
You shall die.
Now you go die. May I clear you? If you try me again, your gods go run leave you. Go ask question. Go find out about me. I'm not well. They hear me. Don't try yourself again, oh. Stupid man.
Go and get your coffin prepared, for you shall die.
Okay, now you go die.
You will die.
Now you go die. You and your gods. Stupid man. Save up, boy.
You shall die.
You're mad.
Ikuku. This is a challenge. This is a challenge. Shikaima. Today you must die. Shikaima! 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 Today you must die! Onye bụ Shikaima? Onye bụ Shikaima?
What sort of life are they living? Hey, when waywardness is their anthem. Oh, what kind of life are they living? Hey, when iniquity is the order of the day.
My prince.
I hope you guys are ready.
My prince.
What is it?
I'm sorry I can't be with you tonight.
Why?
I am on my monthly flow.
What?
I'm sorry, my prince.
Get up, get up.
Yes, my
Get up! Get up! Ijoma, right?
Yes, my prince.
Ijoma, I hope you're not on your monthly flow, right?
No, my prince. But my prince.
What?
My prince, my fiance just paid my dowry, so I can't be with you in your bed tonight.
Now listen to me. Thunder fire you and your so-called fiancé. Did you hear what I said?
Yes, sir.
To hell with your so-called fiancé. Now, get inside, man. Get inside. Get inside. Get inside. Get inside. Move it. What is the meaning of this?
Oh, shit.
What is this?
Shit.
Shit. On my bed again. Why are you always an enemy of progress? No, why are you always an enemy of progress? What is all this? Why can't you allow me to enjoy myself? Why are you always tormenting my life? What is all this?
Afan, who caused you?
You are the one that caused me.
Are you the only one with that thing in between your legs?
Oh, you want me to sleep with it?
No. Are you want to come to my house?
Don't try this again. Don't try this again next time. What is all this? Why can't you allow me to enjoy myself?
Your son brought a woman again to my bed.
Now listen to me. The next try this, you won't like my action. Now the next time you ever try this again, you like my action. What is all this? Mom, warn your husband.
That you brought a woman here.
Just imagine.
Is that the reason you are
Just for me to enjoy myself.
You don't want him to enjoy himself?
Don't try this next time.
Eh?
Nonsense.
You don't want him to enjoy himself. Will he enjoy himself with you? Is it not with a woman? What is the meaning of this?
Grace.
Allow him to enjoy himself. This is his own time. It is his own time. Will you tell me that you did not do such a thing during your own time? Eh?
I want to ask you a question.
What stupid question do you want to ask me?
Who's that boy? Where did you get it from?
What do you mean by that?
Because that boy is not my son.
Whose son is he? If he is not your son, whose son is he? Oh. You want to turn it round? A pot calling kettle blackie? Is that what you want to become? Oh, you think that I don't know the way you sleep with all the widows in this community? I have the full details in my palms. I have it. I'm just waiting for the day of reckoning. Then I will give it to you. Eh? What is the meaning of this? Every time you'll be shouting.
My friend, I am in it again. Should I die before my time? Just know that it's my wife and my son.
Hey, call him! You think I'm afraid of him? You have called your useless friend. Both of you are useless, senseless, worthless, shameless. I'm not afraid of you. Call him. Are you calling him as a police or an army or what? Will he arrest me? Will he do anything to me? Both of you cannot do anything to me. If you like, call him here. I will put your two heads together and deal with you. What is all this?
Your Highness, I am going right away to deal with that woman. How can she be insulting you? I know she was staying on the phone.
She did not insult.
She doesn't know you're my lord.
She did
If
not
she insults you, she insults me. I need to go deal with that woman. Your Highness, no!
I have everything on record. She will pay dearly for it. And for that son, I will make sure he will never ascend the throne.
Oh, your Highness, see, you need to allow me to teach you. You know, I'm a mad person. I'm just trying to respect you because you're my husband and my lord.
You cannot.
You know me. Forget the fact I'm wearing. I'm a queen. You know I'm a crazy woman. You
cannot
know.
be mad like her. Please calm down. Sit down. Calm down.
Your Highness, you should have allowed me to teach her lesson. Why would she be insulting you?
You can handle it. Let's use wisdom and handle this.
Baby Alpha.
Jesus!
Huh?
Which kind of dream be this? Dibia they pursue my brother. I say you want to am.
So when are you coming?
Papa Chisom.
Hmm?
Uchenna!
Just hang on, I'll call you. What is it?
What do you do? I dream say Papa Chisom they pursue you. Make that man not try nonsense with you because if he try rubbish, he go collect woto.
Sister, beg, give me a on call. Can't you say I'm on call?
What did you do?
Do what now?
I had a terrible dream about you. I dream say they pursue you, nearly kill you. If that man try rubbish, I swear to God, I go bring his shrine down. You don't know me, I'm not well, oh.
Sister, beg, woman and sack of he doesn't have weight. Just relax.
My only brother, won't take my brother play. They mad.
Just come. I'll call you. Just hold on.
You do something.
Nothing I do. I didn't do anything.
I've been a strategy.
So when are you coming? Eh?
She can't dream with this.
What sort of life are they living? Hey, when waywardness is their anthem. Oh, what kind of life are they living? Hey, when iniquity is the order of the day, they are making caricature of royalty, living their life the way they want to. Yeah, they are making a fool of royalty. Yeah, living their lives in iniquity. Yeah. What sort of life are they living? Hey, when waywardness is their anthem. Oh, what kind of life are they living? Hey, when iniquity is the order of the day, they are making caricature of royalty, living their life the way they want to. Yeah, they are making a fool of royalty. Yeah, living their lives in iniquity. Yeah. Chica, man, no they fear anybody. Oh. Chica, man, no nonsense, girl, no. Yeah. Chica, man, no send your papa. Yeah. She's say fearless maiden, yo. Chica ima no de fear.
Obiara.
Ah, Chikaima. How was the night?
Very fine, oh. I see say you don't set your stand already.
Ah, everything is set. I mean, the banner, everything.
God go help us.
Amen, oh, amen. I'll be going to the local government, but I'll be back before 2 or 3.
You sure say you go fit run this business?
Why not? Yes, now. Business don't start.
Okay, oh, government speaking.
Thank you. I appreciate everything you've done for me.
No wahala. Now we win, now we day here.
Thank you. Welcome, eh?
Thank you.
Ikuku. Ikuku. Ikuku.
Greetings, wise one.
Can't you see I'm doing something important?
Wise one, the queen said you should come with me.
Is that supposed to be an emergency?
I do not know, wise one. But she said you should come with me at once. It is very important.
It's all right. Let's go then. As for that girl, I'll come back for her.
Good day, how are you?
Fine.
Is your father around?
No, he's not.
Okay, because I checked him in the shrine, I didn't see him.
Oh.
Okay, please, hand this envelope to him.
Oh. Okay, sir. I will.
All right. Bye.
Good day, sir.
Good day, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Kisom,
I did fine.
what are you doing here?
Now you are fine now. Now your father there around.
Ain't no day.
Hey.
You're a bad boy. I beg you.
Do like this.
No. I don't agree. See you. Hey! Hey! You won't watch me.
Chica ima no de fear anybody, oh. Chica ima no nonsense, girl, no. Yeah. Chica ima no send your papa, yeah. Aye. She say fearless maiden, yo. Chica ima no de fear anybody, oh. Chica ima no nonsense, girl, no. Yeah. Chica ima no send your papa, yeah. Aye. She say fearless maiden, yo. Jibri da brido bro, yeah. Her body, wahala no dey fear am. The girl no bokobi, bokiri jay. If you carry wahala come, we go give you.
You seem not to understand what I mean. My husband, the king, detests my son with passion. He hates him so much, so I want him out of the way.
So, what do you want me to do?
I want you to tell me what to do.
so that he will get out of my way for good.
Megwin, apart from the king, are you seeing any other man? I mean, someone who does your feet.
Isechi, I have this young, handsome, sweet boy that services me the way I want. That boy is so sweet. He knows the way to a woman's heart. So, I want the king out of my way, so I will enjoy myself with my sweet boy.
It's all right. My queen, on our market day, ensure you sleep with that young man. Thereafter, you make sure you sleep with our king. That is a taboo on his side. With that, the gods of our land will afflict him with illness, and gradually, he will join his ancestors.
Interesting. Very simple. Ezechi, I will do that soonest. Okay. It's an interesting and sweet one. Thank you for giving me this information. I owe you for that.
Thank you. I'm on my way.
Good evening, my prince. How you dey?
Nice looking. Spin, turn around.
Nothing to turn around though, because in normal, no be fine girl, everybody know, so nothing to show.
What's your name?
Chikaima.
Get into the car.
You say waiting?
Get into the car.
I thought your car say waiting happen. What did they stop for the car?
I hate repeating myself. Get into the car.
Your car have fried rice. Or got shift. You mad?
Oh, Chikaima. Chikaima, I love you so much. I can't wait to make you my wife. My queen. After the whole insult, I'm not gonna give up. I love you. I can't wait to have you on my bed. Chikaima, I love you. I love you so much.
Hey. What's up? Are you good?
What is it? What is the problem?
Hey, come on.
What is the problem?
Hey, what's that? We're not fighting, okay? Why are you always hostile? What's this?
You're distracting me. I don't like it.
Distracting you from what exactly? Wait, Afam, won't you at least say thank you for the money I gave you?
Did you say thank you?
Uh-huh.
So after the whole knocking, the whole digging throughout last night, you still want me to say thank you?
And what if I want more? You're just so annoying. I'm out of here.
Chikayama, I like you. You're beautiful, hardworking, and probably smart.
You say your name na Prince Fabian, no be you talk?
Yes, I am Prince Fabian from Umuaka Kingdom.
Umuaka Kingdom.
Yeah.
That place is very far from here. What do you do for our community?
Well, I own a hotel here and 1 or 2 properties here and there. But that aside, Chikayama, I really like you. And I want to take you home to meet my parents so they could get to see their future daughter-in-law.
Oh, now so they take the carry woman go meet parents. Oh guys, I think like this, I know they think of settling down. Oh. You know they're my priority list. I never ready safe at all. No vex. No vex.
Okay, I'll give you time to think about it, okay?
No wahala.
Have a nice day.
Okay, you too.
My friend. Cheers.
Your Highness, you're always welcome. Anytime, any day.
Yeah,
You want more? I'll get you.
Let me feel the stomach quickly.
And I hope you enjoy your meal.
This is delicious.
Oh, thank you.
My wife is the best cook you can ever meet.
You're making me blush.
My friend, like I told you, don't let that boy frustrate you. This is your house too. Whenever he starts his problem, just come here at any time. You remember how it was when we were children? Yes. We were also eating in Mama's house and you would come to my house. That's true.
Was it just kind of food you were eating in Mama's house? What about the other side of it?
No, we're very innocent.
We
were very innocent.
So many other things. We were, don't forget we were royals.
Yes, don't forget that. So it was a very interesting time for us. So I'm happy he's enjoying his food.
My love.
Don't you dare call me your love again. What's not your love? Where is your love? Do you know what I've been going through in your father's time just because I'm dating a native doctor's daughter?
What happened? Why are you acting up?
You'd ask me what happened. So you don't know what they go through. You'd ask me what happened. See, this thing never go anywhere. We never go far. So just stay your own, make I stay my own. I say I don't want again. I am done with you.
This is love now. Uchenna, I love you. I love you.
If you touch me, I will squeeze life out of you. Who be your love? What is love? Love when your father want to kill me in my dream. I am done with you. It's over between us. Don't ever call me your love again.
You are done. Because you don't see my nakedness, Abi?
You see my banana, I see your sock away. So nothing dead here. Nothing dead here.
Uchenna, you know what? Uchenna, you know what? This thing is not over. You see this thing is not over. We are in this together. Uchenna, you must be my man.
Ipe.
Uchenna, I say you must be my man. Uchenna, don't dare me, oh. Uchenna, don't try me. And if you try to cheat on me at this point, Uchenna, Uchenna, I will show you that I, Chisom, I am the daughter of the great native daughter of this land. Uchenna, Uchenna, don't try me. Uchenna, don't try me. Uchenna, don't try me. You will see.
So you're threatening me because I say it's over between us, Akwaya? Hey, Jesus. What did I just talk now? Hey, Achalugo! Please, now, Achalugo. I beg now, no verse for me. You understand? Now just talk why I just talk. I don't mean anything. I beg. You don't know say I get bad math already. No verse. Now play yes. Yes, na prank. So don't say yes.
Try me.
I beg.
Try me.
I beg. See. I beg you. See. Anything. Don't follow my mouth though. I beg you. If na love, I love you. Sorry now. Yes.
Na prank.
Yes.
Oh, my love.
My love.
Try me. Try me. Try me and see Uchenna.
I beg na prank na. Should I tell you say na prank? You know say I get bad math already. Na prank. Wetin I carry my hand go back? Which kind temptation be all this one? Baby, I beg na prank na beg. Na prank. You know na prank I dey prank you na. Yes na prank. Come now.
Uchenna, what did you just say? Eh?
Mama, what is it again? Why are you disturbing me? Leave me alone, no?
Come and sit down here talking. Come and sit down. Uchenna, what did you just say?
Mama, I said I am done with Chisom. I don't have anything to do with her. Why are you still shouting?
Of all the girls in this village, you chose Chisom, a native doctor's child. Eh?
Mama, why are you shouting? What is all this? I don't have anything to do with Chisom. I am done with Chisom. Besides, I am very hungry.
Hungry? Go get back. That hungry should burst this your stomach. What is your problem? I'm not going to food. Okay?
What did they occur for him? What did they saw?
Now ask Mama.
Is it not your brother Uchenna? Uchenna has been sleeping with the native doctor's daughter. Where's that mom?
Sister, don't listen to Mama. Mama, what is all this? I said I don't have anything to do with Chisom. Why are you accusing me?
Wait, oh. You like say, now make a dream you do when I dreamed last night. I dreamed that the native doctor was trying to kill Uchenna. So you sleep with the pikin. What's happened to Ifoma? Ifoma was raised and now you go marry. Why are you cheating on her? What's in the shop?
No wonder she has not been coming here. You chose Chisom of all the women in this village. All the beautiful girls. You choose them. Where's them one?
Mama, what is the meaning of this? What is the meaning? You people should free me alone. Free me. You people should leave me alone.
Make we free you.
Free you, go there,
Make we free you. Mama, better go call pastor. Make they call do deliverance for this man. Before you go carry demon enter this house.
I am telling you.
Native doctor and demon. Now 5 and 6.
I am telling you, I will just do that. I will do that because Madam and Amili Chabamaya. Okay, Chisom.
Bro, Ellie cheats like mad. I'm still devastated, huh? I have my eyes on her 24/7. Yeah. As we speak, I'm in the palace. No, I've not seen her anywhere around. No. Yes. Bro, I'll talk to you later, okay? Alright, yeah. Bye. Ellie. This palace won't be your final destination, no?
Wazico.
Yes, my queen.
It might interest you to know that my son have decided to make your daughter his wife and his future queen. Your family have been favored by the royal home. To be honest with you, I found it difficult to accept his choice of a wife because your daughter does not behave like a woman. She dresses and acts like a man. Even though I do not even know why my son fell head over heel in love with her.
Mom, this is my choice. And don't indirectly insult my future father-in-law. Don't, please.
Like I was saying, I do not know what my
Mom?
Wazico,
Yes, my queen.
your daughter does not even know how to speak simple and correct English.
Mom?
But that's not a problem, for I will brush her up personally.
May I remind you, my queen, that my daughter is a graduate of banking and finance from Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Anambra. And she came out with first class. If not for the bad government, she wouldn't be in this village. And for her choice of dressing, I'm not complaining. And that who want to marry her, if it's okay by him, fine.
Then you have failed in your tutelage. You have raised a bad child for the society.
Mom?
As a graduate, she is supposed to dress classy and appealing to people.
Your Majesty, I am a proud father, and I'm also proud of my daughter.
You should also be proud that she is going to enjoy endless royalty. This is for you and your household. Enjoy.
I am sorry, Your Majesty. I can't take this.
Chica, no dey fear anybody, oh. Chica, no nonsense, girl, no. Yeah. Chica, no send your papa, yeah. She say fearless maiden, yo. Chica, no dey fear anybody, oh. Chica, no nonsense, girl, no. Yeah. Chica, no send your papa, yeah.
This is my place.
I know the man where get this place, so they stay for Lagos.
Yes.
Nice.
Anyway, thank you for escorting me to my place. You can see. So, I used to bring in my food. I want to eat beans and plantain.
Beans and plantain. Make a reach out first now, go arrange them.
Thank you so much. I love you.
What do you talk?
I said I love you.
Hey.
Say, Chikaima, you know, I know what I felt ever since we started talking, even on WhatsApp. I felt so different.
Okay, I don't know, I want to talk this one, but make I just clear you. My former boyfriend, when I date my ex, I break up. I mean, I ain't break up with me, self. I no gree make it deflower me. So you can't go your way, me I can't go my own way. We'll knock on the dates again.
Wait, are you trying to tell me that you're a virgin?
You don't see him now. The pressure no dey easy. Oh. Since school days, now they carry this virgin thing, they walker.
Wow. Wow. Kudos to you. See, I promise not to be in a haste to defile your body. I will only wait whenever you become my wife. I'll do it legally.
I don't hear you.
Chikaima. Like I said earlier, I want you. Everything in you. You're the woman I ever wished for. And please stop giving that prince listening ears, you know? It makes me jealous whenever I see you together. I mean, he was speaking to you today. I felt so jealous. Do that.
Don't worry, I did for you. Make I go arrange the food now.
Okay. Bye, baby.
Bye-bye.
Nenem Kaima Chukum. What are you cooking?
Beans.
Beans, super. But you know your fella don't eat beans. Eh?
I don't want to affect me. I will cook beans. Mama, cook whatever you want for your husband. Me, I want to cook beans.
But I beg you to prepare lunch for the family.
Mama, I won't cook beans, so where Papa goes safe?
The palace sent for him. The queen wants to see him.
Palace? You sure in the palace Papa go?
By the way, where's your brother Uchenna? I've not seen him since.
I don't know where he go.
I told him to stop going out anyhow. I told him to sit down in the house for once. To avoid problem. Anyway, hurry up and prepare food for the family.
You don't see chef now. I don't hear you. But I will cook these beans first before I go cook with you when I go chop.
No problem. Just be fast, You're my daughter.
I am not going to force you to accept the offer my mother gave to you. But I want you to know that I want your daughter to be mine. I want to make her my queen. Though I have the intention of marrying 10 wives. Yes. But she will be the first woman. Oh yes.
I've heard what you said, Prince Afam.
Beautiful.
But as it is, the choice is yours and her, not me. So it's left for both of you to decide.
I was told that you are the father.
Yes.
Good. Talk to her.
I will definitely talk to her. I am not only the father, I am also an Echie, a titled man in this community. That's what you have to know.
What if I make you my advisor? If my father dies and join his ancestors, and I become the king?
Like I said, the choice is hers and not mine.
Talk to her.
I will.
And I'm sure she will not miss this great offer.
I will talk to her.
Beautiful. Now leave my palace.
It's all right, my prince.
Leave. Ah!
Is that so?
Yes, so.
Wonder shall never end. Yeah. Was that why she sent for you?
You can imagine. I rejected the money. I just have to prove to her that she cannot entice me with money. And to let her know that good name is better than riches.
Yes.
And I'm very sure that my daughter, Chikaima, will not even marry Prince. I'm very sure because I know my daughter.
It's true. You see, he wants to force himself on your daughter. Ichie, what he wants from your daughter is not all these things that look good. He wants to turn your daughter into a sex slave.
No,
warn your daughter to be careful.
Leave that one. I know my daughter, Chikaima, will not even give him a listening ear. Yes,
sure.
My daughter was raised in this village. She knows in and out of everywhere. She knows in and out of every human being here. And she knows the story of a woman who killed her husband and told people that he fell from the staircase.
Well, since we know all this, let's start going.
So no matter you so ha me, Chikaima nwa m banano. Hey, you got the move here.
Wow, guy. You know how to make a woman feel real good. Just you can say, wow, this is so big. I like it. Oh, this boy will not kill me. Look at how big it is.
Grace, where is my file? Where did you keep my file? I mean, the file I kept under the bed. Where is my file? That file is a contract that has not been signed by the state government. And I want the file, please.
You are a killjoy. Huh? Old man, I don't even know what you are talking about. Will something happen to you if you allow me to have my rest in peace? I know that you are tired of staying in this palace, so it's better you go to your friend because that's where you catch your funds. Let me be. I don't know what you're talking about.
Grace, what has come over you? What has come over you? Since our son came back from abroad, you have changed. Everything about you has gone nothing. You don't even treat me like a king anymore. You forgot I'm a king?
Point of correction, Mr. King. You are a classless king, shameless king, worthless king, a king without a cap. This is the real king here. I am the one that's supposed to be the king, not you.
Grace, I don't want to miss that contract. Please give me the file.
Old man, you are disturbing me. I just need a moment of peace. I want to be at peace. See, I have something going on here. You are disturbing me and distracting me. Stop it.
I don't want to miss that. I don't want to miss that contract. Please, give me the file.
Who cares whether you miss the contract or not? Does it look like I care? For your information, if you do not give me what I asked of, no peace for you. I must make sure I give you fire and brimstone. No peace for the wicked. They've already said it that there is no peace for the wicked. So...
Grace, where is my file? Where is my file, Grace?
You're talking about your file. Do you care for a drink? Oh, you don't need it for now. Let me drop it for you. You take it at your own time. Did you talk about giving you a file? Your Royal Majesty, Igwe, my dear husband, do not forget, 25 million is all I'm asking of. It's not too much to ask. 25 million or nothing.
Please.
Else, you will kiss the file a goodbye.
Please. Grace, please.
Oh, Your Majesty, do not forget my hostel and my wine. You can come with it when coming inside.
I'm finished. I'm finished.
Hey, wait. What do you make is a committee here? Okay, see me. Ade.
Uchenna. You with your words. Uchenna. Why you go break native doctor picking heart? You won't die. What did you worry you?
See, ma. Uchenna. I go break that. Are you a madman? Have you lost your sanity? Ibonya la inesi ibonike. Wait. You never hear say my sister they dream bad dream for my head? Even my father. I even hear say my sister with him papa they get issue. So I need a fear for that one. That one there aside. I can't hear small stories say that girl why I say I love. They date all this village champion for this village. This don't let me the data. No, they tell me nonsense again from your mouth. Wait. No, they tell me I need to die anything.
Wait. Uchenna, I need to understand you. What did you talk for this? What did you even talk? What did you talk? Eh? What did you talk with this your mouth?
I beg, what do you want here again from my mouth? I don't understand you. Wait. Now advice they give me like this, I've been waiting. You know Paula? You dey mad? You dey crazy?
Me?
You be my sister? You be my papa? You leave your house, come to talk nonsense for your man. You dey crazy? Okay, well, I love the date all these small boys for this place. Come on. No, they tell me nonsense again. You dey hear them? No, tell me trash.
Uchenna, the problem why I get with you be say you need to hear something. Now because of say you be my friend, I make I follow you they talk this thing. See, you better go finish waiting you start. Hey, no go whine yourself at all. Hey, because as I follow you they talk like this now, she's someday for her they cry. And if her father find out say you break her heart, you know as he go play now. Now death row, and they follow you. You see, you go just die for free.
And you say Chisomde has the cry.
I be no.
Blood come from my eye.
Uchenna. What did you talk for man?
Okay, they mad.
Huh?
Instead of you to go they read for your common entrance exam where you get, you there they talk nonsense. Ibo nyala no konya can talk nonsense. They go on grow up wagenti. Na ina poala.
Uchenna, see, I don't want you.
Uchenna ya wagon.
I don't come your burial.
Uchenna ya wagon.
I don't come. See, what did you worry this guy? How manager carry come friend to this this Lizzy. No worry. You go see as I will carry chop your burial rice. No worry. For this village.
As much as the forest is open to all animals, the squirrel can never be a playmate of the tiger.
You are correct, Ezemo.
Your daughter is daring me. Abo Kambo. Your daughter came to my shrine to challenge me again. I'm just from the palace. If not for the money you brought, I would have done something to your daughter that would have put her in a perpetual state of sorrow.
Ezemo, thank you for not doing it. And I am glad that your daughter delivered my message.
Yes, I saw it. Well, let me tell you, I respect your nobility. You're a nobleman in this land. And it is a taboo. It is a taboo to harm the son or daughter of a nobleman. If not, I would have done something terrible to your daughter.
Please don't. Please. I also appreciate the fact that you know my position in this community. Thank you so much.
It is all right. It's all right.
I don't catch you. I dey talk you the way you dey go. I dey talk to you, you dey. Who you be? Say, what do you feel like? You don't get doing, make I clear you. I talk to you, they go. Where you dey go? I say my papa may come give you a message. You give you my message. It be like say no give you the message. I see you for my dream. You dey pursue my brother, you won't kill him. Oga. You see my family. You see my brother, I need to take them play. Avoid them. If you do anything to my brother, I swear to God, their dead body go surplus. I know well, go ask question. Don't try me, oh. If my family they pass left, pass right. You dey hear me? Don't do anything to them. Because if I hear anything I put to them, I go hold you.
Thank your stars that your father has saved you. Your father has saved you. Therefore, you can sing like birds. If not, I would have vanished you to a evil forest where wild animals would have devoured your flesh.
You know if you do anything. Now today they make mouth. Every time I would have do am. Vanish me go the evil forest make I see. You know if you do anything, I'm at you there. Wait till you say I'm call my papa, you save me. I hope say my papa never can't do anything give you. Hope say never can't do anything. He never give you ram or anything. I'm not gonna take a likely with him. I'm not send a message. I know they fear you. You know what? I'll go ask my papa. Make it tell me what he do on my behalf. Because I don't understand why they say I'm call my papa. You they pity for me. No pity for me. Anything you want to do me. I know they fear you. I mean, I go they fear you. This is how they fear anybody. I know they fear anybody. Come out. You don't get power. You don't get levels. You don't get anything. Only mouth you get. You do they make mouth.
Your father is a person I respect. If not, I would have commanded lions and tigers to devour you.
Don't start again. Every time I would have. Do them now. Command them. You don't get levels. You don't get power. You don't even get doings.
I know what to do.
You don't know anything. I know Mpama.
I know what to do.
Just yummy.
Like Miss Sweet Abi?
Yes, very delicious. Thank you.
You're welcome. So, person they come visit you for this place. You no get friend?
I don't have a friend. A lonely word for me.
Are they happy say you like the food though?
Yes, I like it. Because you made it specially for me.
Yes. So. You be fine guy, you.
Thank you. You're beautiful too.
Thank you.
You mind joining me?
No, don't worry. I don't eat enough for house. Enjoy.
You're happy. You're a good cook.
Is it not you I'm talking to?
Where do you think you're going? No, just tell me, where do you think you're going? Will you stop there? Where's my file? Where is my... Oh, no. Thank God you're here. Tell this woman to give me my file. She went into my bedroom and took my file. She knows the content of the file. She knows that the government will be signing that contract this week. She has to keep my file. Give me my file. Since our son came back from abroad, she just changed.
Hey.
You humiliating me.
Hey, old man. Don't involve me here. Give her the 25 million naira she's asking for. She's your wife. Women, they love money. She's your wife. Why can't you take care of her? All that, come on, you are too stingy for my liking. What's all this?
Will you shut up? Shut up!
What's all this?
Old man, hold it there. Hold it! What is this? Your Royal Majesty.
Always says yes to more.
The next king in line.
Says yes.
I know that the gods blessed you with wisdom.
Of course.
And I know that you will rule your people with
course.
much wisdom.
Of course,
The
Mom.
gods will bless you.
Oh, bless you too, Mom.
Your Majesty. Thank the gods that you had it from your son, your flesh and blood.
Yeah.
He told you the truth because he knows that you are very, very stingy and greedy. Why can't you take care of me? 25 mil only. Only 25 mil is what is difficult for you to give to your precious and sweet, beautiful wife.
Woman.
You stab me in my own palace. You humiliate me. You disrespect me. You steal my money. You refuse to see me as your husband. You don't want to see me as your king. And yet you want my money. It is not possible.
Your Majesty, I thought you have transferred 15 million naira to Lolo. Why this?
I came down so she could be happy. I sent that money to her, and yet she's asking for more. She's asking for more.
Will you shut up? Huh? Shut up, you this low-class, classless Onowo that have not taken care of your own family, and you are here to do what? To interfere in what does not concern you. Now, let me make it clear to you. In case your ears are itching you, I know the amount of money I want. I mentioned 25 million naira only, not 15 million. Let it get into that your senseless call. Did you get it? Nonsense!
I will not give you such money. You have not told me what you want the money for. You are demanding 25 million naira from me. I will not give you. Give me my file.
Lolo, please. Oh, shut up! Oh, shut that your dirty mouth!
Good.
Does this place look like your house? Huh? Now leave this palace.
Stop that.
I said leave this palace.
I invited him.
I invited him as well. I invited him. Carry him, my son. If you don't want to go, carry him. Carry him. Oh, son, the future king. You should have carried him out. Carry him out of this palace. Oh, he is coming back. Carry him. Carry him. Carry this stupid old man. Bitch.
I can see you have been killed the weapon. Oh, my God.
And for you, I don't want to see this man here again.
I just going out of this palace.
Last time I see this man here.
Someone that cannot take care of his family wants to come.
You have no right.
Fool! You call him to arrest me or what?
I will deal with you.
You cannot do nothing.
Trust me, I will deal with you.
You cannot do nothing.
Rubbish.
You are just a vegetable. You cannot do.
Hurry up now, hurry up, please, hurry up.
My friend. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. We'll talk later. Thank you. He has sent 10 million into your account. Confirm it.
Oh, take it easy. Let me confirm it first. The show is getting more interesting. Oh,
My mother.
my cutest son.
The sexiest woman ever.
The ageless queen.
The most sexiest.
You know, whenever you call me that, all my body, they make grimoire and sagrimoire.
Where is my file?
Coming. Huh?
Where's my file?
Are you not my husband again? Just take it easy, okay? Don't rush it. Just allow this money to cool down in my account first. Let it relax small and rest. Then I'll give you the file.
That was not the agreement. We agreed that when I give you the 25 million naira, you will give me the file. So where is the file?
Take it easy. Are you not my husband?
Where is my file?
Ah, it's okay. Take it easy. Huh? Don't be in a hurry. You are not even ashamed of yourself that you don't have up to 20 million in your account. He's just another king, your friend, that sent you the 10 million. I don't have time for your wahala. Let me go inside. You will see your file on your bed. Nonsense. What am I even doing with an old man like you? Huh? I just need fresh blood.
What kind of life are they living?
I just want my file.
When iniquity is the order of the day, they are making caricature of royalty.
Hello, sugar boy. Just take whatever you want. Drink whatever you want. On my head. I will be with you soon. Did you hear that? I said take whatever you want. Drink whatever you want. I'll be with you soon.
Mom.
Hold on.
Mom, where's my share?
Your share? What share? Did I not tell you that I want to buy a land with the money?
Which land? What are you even talking about? No, you think I don't know the of it? You want to give it to your sugar boy? Please, I don't want to.
Wait, shut up. Keep your voice down. Do you want your father to hear you? What sugar boy are you talking about?
I need my own share. Give me my own share. I don't care. And if you don't give me my own share, you won't like my action. You know I have anger issue.
It's okay.
You better give me my own share.
Relax.
What's all this? Am I supposed to remind you about my own share? Mom.
Voice down. Relax. I'll give you the money. Do you hear me?
Good.
I'll give it to you.
Give me my own
No,
share.
take
Agreement
a chill
is
pill.
agreement. Please. Give me my own share. Else, I will cast everything. You know me.
Shut up.
Don't tell me shut up. Don't tell me anything. I need my own share.
I will give it to you.
But
I've said
better.
that.
Give me my own share. So better use your head.
I will give it to you.
Good.
This is my son, eh? He's always hot. He don't like cooling down. Anyway, there is no problem. Like mother, like son. Oh, my savage.
I'm not try am o. I'm not gonna marry that prince. That one wey don use drugs finish his life. I'm not gonna marry am. What did you say? What did you say?
Don't you want to be the queen?
You say I'm not interested in marrying the prince. I'm not gonna try am, mama. For waiting. What I want am do?
That reminds me, Papa. Wetin you give Papa Chisom when make her dey talk say, if not that your father acted on your behalf, say for if I want to know wetin you do am, wetin you give am.
Sister, we are here talking about the friend that wants to marry you and you're here discussing about the native doctor. What are you talking about?
If I slap you, eh?
I talk about important thing, they talk about prince. Wetin dey work you? Papa, wetin you give that native doctor?
Yeah, Arapuge mangwan negola.
Can
Dala.
imagine?
Wait for them make this.
So that's exactly why I came here.
Okay.
I find your daughter very attractive. Beautiful, hardworking, intelligent and fearless. And such a woman is the type of woman I want to make my queen. You know, the princess I wanted to get married to is blatantly cheating on me. So I think I deserve choosing a decent woman.
My daughter is good and she's the best for you.
My prince, my sister here is the right person for you. And she can never cheat on you. In fact, she's a virgin.
Chibo, what you put that one? Oh, Petueke! Oh, you cool that thing? I be virgin.
Are you not a virgin?
You who dey do virgin? I not be virgin, oh. You want to open your mouth wide, they have dust, they have no passa. My prince, no vex, I no fit marry you. I know they do royal things, no, not be my thing, not be my spec safe. Don't worry, I no go fit marry you.
Chikaima.
Who should be Chikaima? Now you the one marry, no be me. I no want. I no go marry Amo.
Chikaima, keep quiet. If I had seen a prince during my own time, you think I would not marry him? Eh? Here!
My prince, I've heard what you said, but I will advise you come back in 3 days. So I can talk to her, then get back to you.
All right, sir. All right, thank you very much.
All right, then. Ngwan,
Prince, bye-bye, take care.
All right.
Meet loyal people. Chikaima no dey fear anybody. Chikaima no nonsense, girl, no. Chikaima no. I don't want marry by force. Even if I'm president or governor, I'm not gonna marry. Why not they force me?
Sister, what are you talking about? Eh? Suitors have been coming for your hand in marriage and you're refusing all of them. What is wrong with you?
Now by force, thunder fire. Now you the cast spell on. What did they work you?
Chikaima. Just go and think about what I've just said. That's all.
Yes, sir. Papa, don't they think anything? I no go marry, and that's on period.
Papa, you need to call a pastor for deliverance because this is the handwork of Papa Chisholm.
What did they do you? Who they want to deliver? They mad.
Leave your brother alone. What's wrong with you?
Exactly. We need pastor. We need to call a pastor because this is no longer ordinary. We call pastor. We call pastor.
My love, my sweetheart, my darling.
My baby. All these things where they call me just to torture me for body. Now let me get all these names. Baby, I don't miss you. I cannot wait to see your face tomorrow. My POS machine. I too love you. I just think of you and I don't even sleep safe. I cannot wait to see you tomorrow. Make we gist. Gist day, oh. You know that priest I tell you about? That priest I tell you say they ask me out. I don't know which one my house, so he tell me say he go call my papa house with the elders, call ask for my hand in marriage. Say won't make I marry him. Say as he see me and I won't see him fall in love with me. He just they talk they go. You know that yeye prince, that one. He call my papa say he won't make I be in queen. I don't send them, Sha, and only you I send.
My love, these one royals are knocking on your door. Look at me, I'm just a poor man that his grandmother managed to send to school. I wish I am royal.
Baby, no worry now. I did for you. I know, say, as your grandmama die, she not eat the fruit of her labor. So I will give her the honor by stepping into her shoes. I will be your everything. Don't worry. I did for you.
Chikaima, are you sure? Are you sure you can stand the heat?
Baby, I did sure. See, the way this relationship they do me, they do me like say I don't know you for decades. I too love you. I bet me I call you by my mama they come. Mama.
Chikaima, who are you talking to over the phone?
No, Obiora.
Obiora.
That one I tell you about say toast me now.
The boy doing same POS business with you. The one your father gave go ahead.
Yes, I
hope he's not the one convincing you not to marry any of those princes. I hope you have nothing doing with him.
If I not get something to do with her, why I can't they talk with him by this time of the night? Eh, Mama?
You did not discuss anything with him. You said that you would think about it. But you did not tell me that you've agreed.
Mama, I don't agree. Immediately he toast me. Sharp, I agree. I know they waste for that. I too love her more.
No. There is an issue here. Eh? He's not ready to marry you now. And he's not even from a royal background. You have two princes that are interested in you, that wants you to marry them.
So because he's not from a royal family, make I no marry him. Mama, nothing concern me concern prince. I love Obiora. Mama, see, night don't reach. Go. Papa, they call you. Go meet him.
I'm your mother, and I know the best for you. Eh? Listen to me.
Please, if I know the best for myself, and now Obiora is best for me. Mama, they go now. Because of you, I cut this call. I won't continue with the call.
Check one year. Today, Ofuma. Today.
My baby.
Odogudim. Your Royal Majesty will come. Ahodim ahobogwimi ya. Honey, love You see this night, everything about me belongs to you. You just have me anyhow you want it. If you want me to hang my leg, I will hang it. If you want me to spread it, I will spread it. If you say go up, go down, go like this, I will go like that.
Grace,
Like-
where have you been? Where have you been?
Oh, where I have been. Odogudim, you know, a friend of mine, a very good friend of mine, invited me to an occasion. And I said I would not disturb you. That was the reason I left. Unfortunately, we didn't close on time. So I am here now for you. Everything about me is for you.
Grace, who sent you?
Sent me what? I don't understand. As in, who sent me to come to see my husband? My loving husband? Why are you saying this? Your wife is here now for you.
Tell whoever that sent you that I am not available.
My love, don't worry. I know why you are doing like this. Don't worry, I'm here for you now.
I want to sleep.
Nonsense. That is how I would be giving it to you until you die slowly. Nonsense. Thought you said you will not fall for me. You think you're stubborn? Rubbish.
They are making caricature of royalty, living their life the way they want to. They are making a fool of royalty, living their lives.
Hi, sugar boy. How are you? Hope you love the car, right? You know, I told you that I would surprise you on your birthday. And it was a real surprise, right? Oh, exactly what I needed to hear. You know, the last time, it was a real blast, a bump. You made me reach orgasm, the climax. Oh boy, do you know how to send a woman to heaven and down to earth? You know how to make a woman feel real good. Oh boy, did you rub sugar on that thing in between your thighs? Because whenever you enter me, you make me feel real good. Oh my boy, you know, I think you've opened your mega studio, right? Okay. As I cut this phone, I am going to send to you what you would like to see. Something that will make you think about me all through the night. Oh, yes. And I want you to reciprocate it as well. I want to see my rod on my phone. You know what? Hearing your voice, it makes me wet. Yes. Yeah, it makes me calm. Just take care of my boo. You know what I mean? Do not forget that I love you till eternity, till infinity. Oh yeah, I know. Just keep on treating me good. I will not stop surprising you. Mwah. Mwah. Oh boy. Nobody around. Savage. You know how to treat a woman very good. You bring me up, then you bring me down. Oh, this boy will not kill me. I love you, sugar boy. I love you. No one is around. This boy makes me feel like a real sweet 16. I'll die for you.
What a life. God have mercy. So the queen's plan is to casually kill our Igwe. Women are evil. But not me. I'm not evil. Let's go before she comes.
Shizom! Shizom!
Papa!
Come here. Come here fast. Stand there.
Yes, Papa.
Yesterday, you vomited 3 solid times. And when I asked from you if you were okay, you said, Papa, I am fine. Now you are vomiting again. Are you sure you are fine?
Yes, Papa. I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, Papa. Nothing is wrong with me. I'm fine.
It's all right. Go inside the house. I remain there. When I am done, I will go to the hospital with you.
Hospital?
Yes. To the hospital with you.
Okay, Papa.
Did you hear me?
Yes, Papa. Hospital.
Did you hear me?
Yes, Papa.
Now go inside.
Yes, Papa.
See, Chisom. I beg. I use God name they beg you. Or any other thing where you fit like where go fit suit you. No try mention my name for any reason. No try amu. You hear me? Abi you want me say you are doing na be the runner. No, answer me.
With the runner, but now once. And him pull out. Him pull out now.
Now this grammar, I no like. Which kind of English be this? Which one you be saying pull out? Pull out for where? No, where you come? Now from top stick.
I talk say we do am. Now once we do am. And him pull out. Unlike you. You dey like deposit everything inside.
Hey!
I go tell you say pull out. You go tell me say no. Oh yeah, use protection. Mba. You seem no na toge. You love it raw. Now I get belle. I get belle
Oh God. The problem I get with you, Chisom, you say you need to see. See, if your father, if anything will make your father hear or find out say na me. Say me and you they run something, me and you they run something, you go turn me to dog. And you know that one now. No try am.
Make I tell you, you see me, I go speak up.
Hey!
I go speak, I go carry, I go announce your name. Let me even tell you something. I sneaked out of our house to come and give you this information. My father is already suspecting me. As I'm speaking to you right now, once he leaves his shrine, we are going to the hospital. And me, I will call your name. I will call your name.
No, why me? Why me?
You dead deaf.
Call you change my name.
You dead deaf. You don't hear me say I talk. Say him pull out. Him pull out. Now you come in. Him pull out. You don't hear me?
Listen. Now listen. Make I warn you. And this one I won't warn you now. Serious warning as in from hellfire. I use code name. Beg you. No try tell your father say me and you run this thing. Tell him say now Uche now give you belle. No be me.
I go tell him. I go tell him Uche now. No be you come inside me.
So make I tell you I see the pain now. Awam.
Baby.
Kini?
Ebuka, where they go?
Are you mad?
Where they go?
Hey!
Hey! I don't die. Hey, I'm finished.
This one way they run like small lizard where landlord give quick notice. I hope all is well.
Me? Wrong. For where? I just won't go see my elder sister with the stay for her husband call. Saying won't see me.
With bag and your mouth they shake. You live everywhere where you go. Now Abba way far. Abba. Almost 6 hours.
But you know what they worry you now? Now everything that you go to poke news, now everything that you go to look into. I don't want you.
Even as they point beside your hand, they shake.
Ebuka, no worry. Like this now, I dey go, I dey go.
Come wait now. I be your friend, make her see you off. Now you get diarrhea for hand. What do you mean like this way they do? Give me that react.
Uchenna.
Wait now. I be your friend. Make her just see you off. Let me go.
No worry. See, I don't late like this now. We go walk.
Come now. What did they run?
Uchenna, we go walk. You too like talk. I need like all this thing.
Ebuka. This boy must be. Well.
You dey mad? Now, but first of all, after your greeting, come and punish you. See? Jesus Christ, see these people there.
Madam, I'm not going to marry your son. Your son a very wayward human being, a drug addict, a shower. He don't sleep with almost all the women for this community. You won't knock me. So that you go tell people say you don't knack me, won't add me join your body count. And they enter your eye, close up.
Well, shut it! Shut up! Can you imagine? This network, lack of action. What is wrong with you? How dare you stand before me? Talking rubbish. Have you lost it?
Who is they speak English for? I mean, I be on that person there where they talk to. You they mad? How be you spoil your pikin for ground? What? Eh? How be you corrupt this boy to away for ground? You don't be a shadow. You don't sleep with all the boys. We they hear your scores, madam. Like mother, like son.
Stop that nonsense! Stop that nonsense! Are you mad? How dare you talk to my mother like that? Are you insane? Yes, I don't slap you again.
What? Mad?
Hey! Which kind of dream be this? This prince again? The other day I dream say I dey run. What did the prince want? Why do always the dream they see him?
Come on, move! Move! Idiot! Useless daughter! I will ask Thunder to fire you and kill me! Move! Come on, move!
No, go and meet your father. What happened?
Come on, stand there!
Now, as a Monday back in the I hope everything is fine. Eh? This one you're in my compound.
It's the one, Papa. It's the one that got me pregnant.
Is he pregnant?
My son, will you shut that stupid mouth? Who got you pregnant? Are you mad? Are you mad?
Make we talk this thing, no. Chisom, you sure say not only my brother they enter this your port for this village? Because I dey always they see you and Ebuka. You sure say I ain't give you belly?
Ebuka is my cousin brother. We can't have sex. It's him that got me pregnant.
Sister, don't mind this low lie. She's lying. Tell your father the truth. Else I will kill you here now.
You got my daughter pregnant. I will deal with you.
Hey, my brother, you dey mad? Hey, my brother. Why you carry my brother go? You dey look me. You dey mad? Where my brother dey?
I'll command you to vanish like your brother.
You dey mad. You think that everybody dey vanish. Now you and your family go vanish. Thunder fire you. Get my brother. Get my brother.
I command you to vanish.
Mama, go call Papa. Fast. Get my brother.
I command you to disappear like your brother. I command you to disappear.
Hey, she better laugh up. No, you never because you're not getting. Hey, my only son.
My son. Vanish.
My only son.
My son. Vanish.
My love. What? I should come to the house now? Okay, I am coming. I'm coming.
But we're still talking.
Please, we are done, okay? We are done with this. I need to see my girlfriend.
Is anything the problem? Hey!
I go cut your neck, oh! I go cut your neck, your blood go flow. You dey whine? You're my brother! I don't fear anybody. I go ask question. I don't get joy. My joy-in-law sins. I never still see him. You're my brother! You say they fear Juju, man? You're my brother!
Okonkwo, tell your daughter to untie me now.
I'm not gonna try him.
And what will happen? Are you not a great Dibia? Eh? I'm asking you.
Since you started supporting the evil that is going on in the palace, the gods have left you. Just take a look at yourself. Take a look at yourself. See what a young girl has done to you. I know.
Okay, speak up. Where is the young man? Very soon the police will come pick you up.
Hey! Chimo! Hey! I'm going to football and my only son! Where is my son? Where is my son?
You're my brother!
Where is him? Speak! Speak! Let her hear me.
Papa, because please now. Hey, do something so you will come out. Because you want to die, she will kill you. She will kill. Hey,
I go burn you alive before police go come. You said they follow you play. 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 You're my brother. You're my brother.
to that extent. Don't go to that extent. Talk. He will talk. We'll talk.
Where my brother there?
Speak. Where is my son? If I burn my
I will confess.
Talk.
It was not Uchenna. It was Ebuka. Ebuka got me pregnant, but he asked me to lie. I'm sorry.
No, don't see him now. And my brother talk, say no be give this girl belle. Now this stupid man get might vanish my brother. I'm gonna burn you alive when you keep my brother.
How could you do such a thing? Huh? You are evil with your own cousin brother.
I'm sorry. Please don't say my father, please. I'm sorry. Because you know bad. Because.
Forgive you. You are an evil child. You are so evil. You are like your father.
Papa, I just they look you. Now you're picking that they talk about. Oh. Do something now.
Ezemo, where is my son? Speak! Where is my son? She's home.
Papa.
Oh! She's home.
Papa.
She's home.
Papa.
Speak! Let me take you to where he is at once.
Not take us to where he dey. Tell us where he dey. Talk now.
I vanished him to the evil forest for him to be eaten up by wild beasts.
Hey! Chimo. Where the evil forest dey?
At the evil forest, far away from our kingdom.
Hey! Hello!
My son!
Hello!
I think I know the place. Yes, I know the place. We need a car. It's 4 hours from here.
4 hours! 4 good hours! Oh God, if anything happen to my brother, I swear you go die. I go kill you, you go see him.
Look, there's no need wasting time. Let's use my car.
Let's be going.
Papa, watch over him.
Let's go.
You are evil, my son.
Mr. Noha, I don't do my business like that. I don't... yes, like I was saying, I sent you the first consignment. You did not pay completely. And I gave you another. You want...
Yeah, baby.
Yes, baby.
Oh, you know I love you so
What's
much.
this? Is that your father? What's wrong?
What is going on here? Don't touch him. Stay up. Come back. What kind of magic is this? Mr. Man, will you get up from that place? Will you get up from that place? What kind of nonsense is this? Don't. If I slap you, are you okay?
Papa, you need to help him up.
Shut the fuck! Guards!
My king.
Guards! If you touch him, I'll slap you. Are you okay?
My king.
Take him to his room.
My king.
Let's go. Let's go!
Call King Williams.
My king, are you okay?
Call my friend.
My king, are you okay?
Call my friend.
Hi, Mom. I said I met your husband on the floor. He's sick. He could not stand up on his own.
So why are you calling me? Am I a doctor? Oh, leave the old man. If he wants to die, let him die. It won't make any difference. What? That I should come home? For what? By the way, when did you start caring for the old man? When? Oh, see what will happen. Is it money that you need? If it's money, I can send money to you. Oh, please, please, please. I am busy right now. I'll get back to you. Ah.
Oh, God.
My queen, are you sure you don't want to go see your king? He may probably need you this moment.
I think I need you more than he needs me. So, sugar boy, why don't you just give me that pen, you know?
I see.
That pen, you know how to do it must.
That of the day, they are making caricature of royalty, living their life the way they want to. Yeah, they are making a fool of royalty. Yeah, living their lives.
What is my business? My mom has switched off her phone.
What's actually wrong with your father?
How am I supposed to know? Am I a doctor? No, am I the doctor?
I need to leave now. You should be with your father.
Meaning? Are you mad? Are you stupid? Will you go inside the room and wait for me?
For what's this? Why did you even invite me to the palace in the first place?
I hate to listen. I hate repeating myself. Go inside the room and wait for me, please. You're wasting my time. Go inside, please. Go inside. Go inside. You're wasting my time, please. Go inside. Go inside, please. Go inside. Go inside.
Look at how dirty this swimming pool is. Look how dirty! What are these people doing in this palace? Just to eat! Where is the guard? Where are the maids? Why is this place dirty like this?
Oh, it's all right, okay?
These children, they will not kill me in this house.
It's okay, I have to be on my way now.
Okay, my king. Remember to be careful, okay?
Oh, I will. God, let's go.
Where is this?
Uchenna!
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 Hey!
Uchenna!
Uchenna!
Hey! Jesus Christ.
Hey. Untie him! Untie him! Uche!
This thing is too...
Let's see.
His hand.
Let's finish his hand.
Uchenna. Oh my goodness. Sorry. Hey. This one is hard, bro.
Go to your leg. Go to your leg.
Uchenna.
Go to your leg. Nice. You okay? You alright, eh?
Uchenna. Sorry. Sorry. Hey. This chief priest is wicked, oh. Hey, Uchenna.
He is so weak. Ha! Hold him, bro. Let him not fall.
Papa, if you see where this man keep Uchenna, now go and save Uchenna for die, yo.
Where is Uchenna? Where is my son?
See him now.
Hey!
In fact, they go police station. I carry you go there myself. Get up.
My son. Where's my...
Get up.
Yes,
I call John Mika, carry make you go police station.
I tell you, sir, that is the best.
Oh yeah.
Where's my staff?
Which staff?
Give me my staff.
Help me.
Oh yeah. Open the boot.
My staff.
Staff.
Where's my staff?
My good friend.
How are you?
I called you for a purpose. Yes.
Oh yes, but it's okay. You do not need to talk too much. You know, you're already having a high blood pressure. Calm down.
I know. What my wife did today is the reason I called you.
Okay.
Yes, she was exchanging her nude photograph with a young man.
No! Why
They'll be having appointments and dates every now and then.
No!
The painful thing there, Grace has been spending my money on a young man. Grace wants me dead. And she also said...
No.
I don't get you at all. Is it that you don't want him to be king? Don't you want him to rule this kingdom?
That is not what I mean.
Then what do you mean?
Actually, I'm not against him being the king of this kingdom. But you have to warn the prince. He has to be warned.
Warn the prince?
Yes.
About what?
The prince almost slept with my daughter.
What?
Yes. You know, I impregnated you when you were newly married to His Royal Majesty.
Bring your voice down. Someone might hear you.
I will. So, the two of them, the prince and my daughter, are the same blood. Such cannot happen between the two of them. So you need to warn the prince or you do the needful.
But I thought you said you sent your daughter to Lagos to learn a trade.
Yes, I did. But she ran back to the village. Today the prince came looking for her in my house. So warn him or you do the needful.
You have to leave this palace right now.
I will.
I will send money across to you. Send your daughter out of this kingdom. I don't care where you are sending her to, but make sure she goes out of this kingdom. I will send money across to you.
That's
Leave
all right.
now.
I will. I knew it! I knew it! Oh no!
My very good friend. Now that you know that Efuna is not my son, do not, I repeat, do not allow him to ascend my throne. Do not. And as for this ring, this is the symbol of the authority of my throne, of this kingdom. Give it to Kongo. Take.
Okay. I will do exactly as you have said.
Make sure that it is a Kongo.
Obiora, name whatever you want, and I shall give it to you in a platter of gold. I am a rich prince. Go ahead, just name it.
Prince, with all due respect, Chika my hair is my girlfriend. She's everything I have.
Prince, this is where you talk and I get that CBO. I know say you use your car, assist us, go carry my brother from the evil forest. Thank you so much, we appreciate you. But I dey in love with my man. You come late. I'm not going to leave my man for you. I cannot trade my heart for anything in this world. I too love this man, no. I think God beg you.
Prince, you heard her, loud and clear. I know I might not be up to your standard. But you see this woman here? I will never trade her for anything.
Wow. I see.
Prince, I know say you tell me say your princess cheats on you with one prince, then make una break up. I feel your pains.
I pity for you. Sorry. I'm not going to leave this man for you. I'm not going to leave him because say you be prince. It's not possible. Please move on with your life. Forget about me. God will give you another guy will go better pass the one where leave you, yeah?
It's okay. Prince, I think we need to go. Thanks for your time.
Elena.
Your Highness, Your Majesty.
It is true what they say. You come to this palace.
No, no.
Who is your friend here?
The queen. Yes, my mother asked me to deliver some golds. Some golds.
You cheap whore! What are you doing in my house?
My queen.
Have I not told you not to show your ugly face here again? What are you doing?
Please. Emma, King Williams is here. I don't want him to hear you. Please bring your voice down, I beg you.
Oh, you want it? You don't want it to...
Oh, my queen, please. I beg you.
Not without a price. Nothing goes for nothing.
I need you to do me a favor. Please do me a favor. Just tell him my mother sent me to you to deliver some golds.
Oh yeah, you want it to lie?
Please.
Not without a price.
I'm begging you, okay? Whatever, name it.
Give me 10 million naira.
Please.
Are you ready?
No. Okay, 5 million. 5 million, please.
Transfer it immediately.
Okay.
Access Bank.
Okay, please let me have your account.
00.
Okay.
42.
Okay.
43.
Okay.
25.
Okay.
89.
Okay. Access. Okay.
I have not received that. You have to wait till I confirm.
I've done it.
Good. Nice doing business with you.
Please help me, I beg you.
Life is sweet. Just 5 million naira like that. Oh, nice.
You are a disgrace to royalty. You are a disgrace to womanhood. And you are a disgrace to the pride and dignity of every woman.
Are you done? Are you done, Mr. King Waka Waka? Is your palace chasing you? Why is it that every time you will come to my palace trying to poke nose into affairs that does not concern you? What is your problem? Can't you stay at a place?
Listen, woman. Not that the vultures are scared of the big cats. No, but they wait patiently to see them die and get littered everywhere in the bush. And they bust their stomach open and feed on them. Your lifestyle stinks!
It stinks just like your daughter-in-law to be, who sleeps around with everybody, every man!
Shut up, woman! Shut up!
She sleeps with my son and still advised to be your son's wife.
You are talking to the king! Say king! And I'm not like your husband! Your husband that you travel from everywhere!
Don't shut me up!
You are godless!
To shut me up!
Let me tell you one thing. The time is near!
You can talk.
The time is near!
I'm queen!
Can you just calm down?
Can you calm down? What is all this?
Shut the hell up! Shut up, Afam! You caused all this. I told you I didn't want to follow you to the palace, but you dragged me. You dragged me like a lamb ready to be slaughtered. What's all this? I mean, why am I so foolish and stupid around you? God damn it! I don't even trust your mother. She might spew out shit. God!
Babe, I said you should calm down. Can you calm down? Listen, my mom is not even like that. My mom, once you tip her, she will shut her mouth up. Okay? She can keep your secret. Stop all this, please. You're pissing me off. I don't like it. Huh? What's that?
You know what? I am done. I am done.
You what?
I've messed up enough. I mean, at this point, my head is not even thinking straight. I am done, Afam.
Listen to me. I am the director here. So I will cut the shot whenever I want. You are done. You can't be done. You will cut the shots. No, you can't do that. I am the director here. So I will cut it whenever. Oh my goodness.
Our son saw this from the beginning, but you never listened to him. Look at what is happening now. Look at it. How can he be sleeping with our future daughter-in-law? How? When he told you, we're almost kicking him out of this palace.
I am angry. Very angry woman. I can't believe what that stupid, dirty queen said about Elena. And when I saw her, the guilt was written all over her. She was broken.
My king, I will advise we pipe low at this point. Let's pretend like we don't know anything that is happening. That's the best thing to do.
Yes, Commissioner. I want him to be released with immediate effect. Yes. Do that right away. My dear.
Yes, my queen.
Go home. Your father will meet you there.
Thank you, my queen. Thank you so much. Thank you, my queen. Thank you.
Wipe your tears and cry no more. Everything will be alright.
Thank you, my queen. Thank you so much. May the gods bless you. Thank you.
You may take your leave now.
Thank you, my queen. Thank you.
If you step on a chair, I will order my girls to bundle you inside the car. How dare you? Have you forgotten that I'm the crown prince of this kingdom? Huh?
Why they shout like mad person? I know that you be the prince of this kingdom. What's it gonna happen? Since I did like this, I'm not there in this mood at all. You see this message from my hand, I go buy it for my brother. We just rescue him from one evil forest now. I don't understand what make you they shout. What be your problem? What be your own?
Chikaimo, I said I want to make you my wife. My queen. Go and tell your father that I'm coming for you.
I said they be queen. You don't ask whether you be my spec. You go ask me first, say what be your spec. Oga, you not be my spec. I can never be your queen. You can never be my man. I get my man, oh, my own boyfriend, what I love. You not fit in. You don't whine. What I want use you do?
Say that to my face again.
I say, Chikaima, Okonkwo Precious, no go fit marry you, not by force.
Chikaima.
Oh, wait. I make you slap. You dey mad. Go and bang your head. Don't try him again, no. Man, I enter you.
Chikaima.
Look at this fool.
You dare slap me?
Get out! I go beat you again. Don't you go beat you. I go beat you again, Oga.
Chikaima, you dare slap me?
Get out!
Guards! Get out! You dare slap me!
Now, Papa! Try him now! Try him!
Hey! Hey! Nine! Chubafa! Run after them! Chineke, what is this? From one problem to another. What is happening? Uchenna! Oh! Hey! Uchenna! Hey! Uchenna!
I go scatter your brain. I go send you message go be your stupid oga, you dey mad.
What is going on?
My God, Abio. Why I not go buy you? Are you the same Kobe? No. Hey, no. Oh, allow me make I finish this guy.
You people have mind to chase my daughter. You challenge church of fools. Don't worry, I'll be coming to the palace. No.
Oh. You don't let this boy run now.
If I allow you to do this, you will go to jail.
I don't care. Make I go there. Today when they see jail.
Don't worry, let's go inside.
I for kill this boy now.
It's okay, let's go inside.
Now that prince is my target. If I catch that prince at farm, he go be for him. Now go hear this cause, you go see him.
Just calm down. Let's go.
Mama tell her say I no go fit be a queen. Now it tear me slap. I tear and slap back oh. Sure.
Kidney. Hey, you did what to that friend?
My daughter, I am so proud of you. In fact, I am proud of what you did to him. We'll be waiting for them, including the mother. Let them come here. I'm so proud of you.
Hey, this is a good about.
Tear me slap. My eye told me for 2 seconds. My eye come the red. Sure? Now my first to marry.
He asked the guys to go after you.
Now they pursue me now.
This is ridiculous.
Nine, this is a good about. I know that prince very well. He will come with all his warriors.
You will not do anything. Now by force to marry, you will do nothing. Nah, cut off them.
How dare you! Shut up! Are you mad? Just imagine! Ordinary Chikaima, you cannot get and bring her to my palace!
My prince, she attacked us with her father's gun.
Oh!
Yes, my
Yeah. Oh, really? And you cannot do anything! Go! Shut up! You cannot do anything! Shut up! Shut up!
Do the higher!
Shut
up! No. Don't. Look at this useless guards. What are you here for? Her father chased you and attacked you with a cutlass?
Yes, my queen.
The daughter chased and attacked you with a gun? Good! You see, these people, they're supposed to be banished and sent out of my kingdom. I will have to get them arrested. This nonsense should stop. So you allowed them to go. When they attacked my son, is it not better you die in the process of trying to bring them here than coming here empty-handed?
Nonsense!
So where are you going to?
Going to put the bullet on her head!
What are you still doing here? Get out! Get out of here! Stupid children! What is the meaning of this? Huh?
The king is not responding, he's not moving.
And what do you want me to do? Stupid girl! We are talking about my girl, you are talking about a dying king! Nonsense! Stupid people! Huh?
Guards! Guards! Where's the cutlass? Where's the cutlass? Now open this car! Nonsense!
Doctor, tell me, please, tell me what is wrong with my friend. Is he all right? Is he still breathing? Doctor, come on, talk to me now. I need to know. What is happening? Oh, yes. Oh, I'll be on my way now.
My lord, I hope all is well.
I have to leave now. I have to go.
What is it? What is about the call?
Igwe Dickland is not feeling well. I need to go now, and it's very important. Please, tell the guy to get me the car.
Okay. Guard!
Hello?
My king.
Yes.
I'm sorry. We've lost him.
Hey! No! My good friend. My good friend. Where is she carrying my daughter? Where is she?
You cannot come to my house and threaten me and my daughter. You cannot.
I tell you. You try and your body, dead body go surplus, you go collect.
Chikama, you tell me!
I dare you, you be! You be stupid priest levels. I be this cap they deceive you. You dey show me gun without use for car first throw away. You dey whine. Oga, if you shoot, systems go end now. I know they whine you.
Prince of Ametland, leave my compound this minute. You are the one invading my house. You will not like what will be the end. Leave this minute.
And I will kill you for giving birth to a despicable daughter in my kingdom.
Oga, yes. Oga, see, we got to kill everybody wait there here because we're there ready for you. But carry out for me and say you go join us. You dey mad?
Where you? Man, play you. I know they cap nonsense. I know they cap doors. Go ask questions. Everywhere for this community, I know well. You dey hear me? If you shoot, the bullet go affect your mama Aje. You don't want
No, because please, Chikaima, please, because somebody, everybody come on!
Prince, what is going on? Drop that gun. Your father is dead in the palace, and you are here practicing God. My father is what? Yes, he's dead in the palace, and you are trying to kill his subject. Are you drunk? You know what? I am coming back for all of you.
Leave this place. Leave the... You know, is he dead?
Igwe is dead. I'm coming from there now. Just to inform you about this commotion.
Nidi, you know, Kwana Igwe is dead.
Yes.
Hey.
But why didn't you call me? Why? Oh, tell me.
Please, Biko, do you know where we can run to? Because this kingdom is no longer safe for I and my family. It's no longer safe for us. First, it was Ezemo. He vanished my son to an evil forest. Now, the priest is threatening to kill my daughter. He wants to kill her.
Mama, nobody go fit kill me, you don't whine. Nobody go fit try am. And then they come out go anywhere. We know they go anywhere. We pin. No leave, no transfer. This is my papa house. Why I go come out from this place? If that priest get mind, if you know say craze there, make you put body. If blood go surplus, dead body go surplus, mama. I know they whine, no.
Mama, I need more food.
Shut up there your mouth. We are here discussing about something so scary that happened today, and you are saying that you need more food. Give already.
Mom, person gets to chop belle food to ready for the war. I go carry empty stomach the fight.
Which war? What's which war? You don't hear that war. You are always doing war. But while I'm going on one,
Mama, give my brother food, make it chop.
Oh, wow.
But we no go come out from this place now, Sabi. We're not going anywhere.
This is getting out of hands. Where is your father?
I go wine. Excuse you? I don't understand.
Please get out of my way. I need to go into my man's room and rest. It's been a long day, okay?
If I say madness, they worry you. They call mental. Are you an idiot? It meant.
How dare you?
Okay.
No, how dare you talk to me like that? Have you gone nuts? Are you mad or something? What's the meaning of that? Do you know I can tell the king to get you fired?
It don't run finish.
What is this?
It don't run finish. Eh? You see this chamber? If you enter your mouth, bang, make a Diana. Come pass now. If your ghost can come enter.
Wait. Ijoma.
Now my name be that. You see, we don't hear your score so. It dey rain like ocean everywhere. See, you see this house? Come enter, make us see.
Wait, what is going on here? What's happening? Wait, an ordinary maiden talking to me like this? A dirty, stinking, stupid maiden talking to me anyhow? Have you gone nuts?
Now that stinking maiden, I mount guard for here. I don't mount. Come pass now. If you rant finish, if you speak English finish, come enter, make us see. Now here, come pass. Just come pass. Your scores they smell, oh. It smell everywhere. Not try me, oh. I go design your face. You see this hand, eh? I go even design your face. You go faint 10 times for you. Just try me. Just do small close up now. You go yara.
Let me call my man.
You don't now so. Come pass.
Ijoma, is this a joke or something?
Ijoma na my name. Now action speaks louder than voice. I dey on mount guard
Why
like
is he not
this.
even picking?
I ain't go pick now.
Why is he not taking my calls? Vivian, please take your calls. Hey, baby. Your Majesty.
How did you get in here?
Thank God you're here. Can you imagine? This ordinary maiden. Imagine what she said to me.
What did she say to you?
Like she stopped me from entering the palace. And I was asking her who gave her that instruction. I mean, she embarrassed me. Your Majesty, no one has ever embarrassed me like that.
Shut the hell up! You know what embarrassment is? Oh, you know what embarrassment is? And you want to bring shame to this palace? How dare you?
I'm sorry, Your Majesty.
I never knew you were she-goat.
Your Majesty, you need to...
Shut up! If there's anyone to be dealt with, it's you. Because you're shameless. After all we did for you, after how we treated you, I took you like my daughter. But you chose to embarrass us.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty.
You're sorry for what?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know what I'm talking about. Wait, you know what I'm talking about. Listen to me. You're going to go with me there to throw Princess Helena out of this palace. I don't ever want to see her in this palace.
Yes, my queen.
If I see her here, consider yourself fired. Follow me.
Now, please take your calls. Baby, I'll take your calls. Your Majesty.
Dad, throw this shameless idiot out of this palace this minute.
My queen, please.
Ouch!
You can't do this.
I said ouch! You shameless
outside.
she-goat!
Use the gate.
Get
Use the gate.
My queen, please.
Move!
My queen,
Shameless fool!
My queen. Hey, he doesn't know.
Can you come and bring embarrassment to this great palace? Nonsense!
Hey, take it easy,
Ah,
okay?
come on. They go. Useless princess.
Hey, that's enough.
You are a disgrace to reality. They go. Ashawo.
You have been showing yourself. You have been fired. They go. Yala.
They go. Go.
What do I tell my
They go.
mother?
It's very wicked. It's very wicked here.
God, how do I tell my mother this is not happening? This is not happening to me. This is not happening to me. How do I tell my mother she's going to disown me?
How come? Not possible. All my efforts on that girl failed to cook. How come? She shamed me, disgraced me, She put all my efforts to disgrace. How possible? Chisom. Chisom. Chisom, what is wrong with you? Chisom. Chisom. What is it?
Papa.
Eh? What is it?
The herbs you gave to me.
What about it?
In order to remove the child in my womb.
What about it? Chisom! 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 Hey! I have killed my daughter. I have killed my daughter. Hey! Chisom! 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 Hey! 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 Chisom! Chisom! Hey! Hey!
Me, I mount oh. I dey wait for that prince. I dey like this. I don't mount men for bush. That prince don't know say people don't like him for this kingdom. One take he go down. If he do any, I go collect. I mount my guard. Nobody go fit take me on that way. Nobody go fit comot me from my papa. My papa house be this.
Well, I put it to you, the prince is not coming back here again. Okay, so relax your mind.
How you take no? Person where wrong go in palace because he hear say papa die. They go crown am nana so that I go fit bury papa. You don't know.
Chika, you might know the tradition. Whenever a king dies, yes, the son automatically ascends the throne before the king's body will be moved from the palace to the morgue. I am aware of that.
You know, Siam. Let me say he go come as king Afam, no longer prince Afam. No. Let me say this my mountain go strong. Why? Because I know say once he become king, he go gather men. I don't want make anybody take me unaware. Let me say you come enter, my papa come now, come take us unaware, come pack me and my family come out. I don't agree. Oh. But all of us go die, all die now die. If you no feel wait, if you go shop, oh.
No, I'm going nowhere. I'm going to stay here with you, all right? But be rest assured that that young man is not coming back here again, all right? Not even as a king.
What do you mean he's not coming back as a king? How?
Whatever my spirit tells me, I say it the way he is. I don't see him becoming the king of this land.
I don't understand what you did. That boy is the only son, though. Who will come become king?
Okansije. Is this how I'm going to die? I killed my only daughter. My only daughter. Chisom, please. Chisom.
Papa, you killed me.
Please. I was only trying
You
to...
are not doing anything.
Please.
You are wicked.
She's please.
You killed your only child, Papa. Your only daughter, Papa.
She's please, please. I was only trying to...
Hi! 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 Dikana!
The great Iroko has fallen.
The lion! My friend Igwe Declan left a message for the entire kingdom. I shall give you that message. The lion!
He's gone. Dikana!
He's gone.
Oh.
Oh. Let's go see the message.
She's on because
Papa! You are wicked. You are a wicked man. You killed your child. Your only daughter, Papa.
Hey, Grace, stop that! What were you thinking when you were insulting my husband? My lord, you're succeeded in killing your husband, and you think you can talk to my husband the way you like? No! You can do that! He's my lord, you now talk to him anyhow you like. Are you crazy or something? Have you lost your mind?
Doris, I can say you've lost it. Coming to me like a mad dog that you are, talking to me anyhow. Be mindful of what you said to me, else you'll see what I'll do to you.
Am I the one you're talking to?
No. I am talking to your mother at your back.
Mace! Get her!
If I see anybody, come on!
You know who I am?
Stop that nonsense!
Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? Are you stupid? You think you can talk to me like that and go free? You're stupid!
How dare you? Is it because you people are how many? Is that the reason you are here? If you are one, if it's only you, will you try it?
Only who?
I am only respecting something. If you try it next time, you will see what I will do to you.
I'm a fighter. You
dog.
don't know me. You are mad.
Okay,
Shameless.
you owe me one. There is no problem. You can defeat me today because you are many. But you owe me one. And let me remind you that he who fights and run away lives to fight tomorrow. You will see me.
Grace, don't get me angry. Because if you get me angry, I wanted the mace to beat you up like a child.
You cannot do anything. You cannot do more than a hanging towel. You owe me one. You will see me.
You don't know.
You will see me. I will get back to you. You will see what I will do to you.
You owe me. You don't know who I am. I was a fighter before I become a queen. I was a fighter. Nonsense. Let's go. Rubbish woman.
Anything for you. They call me Bukasi. You know why? Because I got it all. Don't worry yourself,
My love, you get the way when you make my body dey happy. I love you, Ebuka.
I love you too, baby. Don't worry yourself, If I reach village, if I go back village like this, I will say my father plus of land, carry the money, come hand over to you.
You mean this the way you talk? I love you, Ebuka.
I will do anything for you.
Thank you,
anything.
Hey. I trust you. I know what you.
Hey! Jesus, I beg. Jesus, I beg, don't kill me.
Ebuka.
Jesus,
I go explain.
Ebuka, you got me pregnant. And you ran away, Ebuka.
Oh, Chisom, I go explain it happen. Don't be so angry what happened like that. Chisom, I don't know this.
You deserve to die, Ebuka.
I beg. Chisom, no kill me. Chisom, I beg, no kill me. I go. Chisom.
I am here to fulfill the promise I made to my friend Igwe Declan.
Yes.
He instructed me to do that in the presence of his kinsmen, and I am happy. Do you know who is here?
I am here. From all you have said earlier, it is very clear that Lolo and his son killed our king.
What do you mean?
How dare you say that?
What do you mean?
Let's proceed. He also gave me this ring before he passed on, that I should hand it over to the rightful owners. Dear father gave this sacred ring to his father in exchange for a parcel of land, so that the polygamist can build huts for his multiple wives. It might also interest you to know that Prince Afamefuna is not his biological son.
What do you mean?
His father is Ezechiel, the chief priest.
What do you mean?
That means he is a son of a native doctor.
Ezechiel.
What do you mean?
Ask your mother.
Yes. Mom, who is my father? Mom, who is my father? Who is my father? Who is my father?
Open your mouth and speak, you devil.
Who is my father?
Is it?
Hi!
Hello. Hey! He also said that he overheard Ezechiel and his wife planning to crown Prince Afamefuna as the next king after his reign. You see? That is why he gave me this ring. Because an illegitimate son cannot wear the sacred ring of royalty.
Yes, and they cannot mount the throne.
Your Majesty, so who are the real owners of the ring?
I know the story. It's not fallacy. I also know who the next king will be.
And who is this person?
Okonkwo.
Yes. Okonkwo. That's what he called his name. Come. Oh no.
Thank you. Onyubero. Yalacha.
It's also important for you to note that the late Igwe has willed the whole palace and his entire empire to the new Igwe.
Oh yes.
Yes. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
what is really happening to me? Why is it that things are falling apart where I am? A whole me that has been in control of everything. Just imagine, my husband willed everything to Okonkwo's family. When I'm there, and my son is also there, they ripped me of everything. Imagine Doris. Doris came to my own house, my palace, with her maidens, and they fought me. For what? What is really going on? Why? I cannot be in a river and soap will enter my eyes. What do I do now? Who do I meet? Yes, Ezechi. Ezechi is the answer. I have to meet Ezechi immediately. I know he will have a solution. Let me go to him. Ezechi. Ezechi. Ezechi Sobudio. There is trouble. Ezechi. Ezechi. Ezechi, where are you? Hey! Ezechi. Ezechi. This is the time I need you more than any other time. I need your protection over me and over our son. Ezechi, where are you? You cannot leave now. This is the time I need you most, Ezechi. Ezechi, where are you? Ezechi! Hey! Somebody will go mad. Ezechi! Hey! Ezechi! Ezechi! Hey! Hey! Somebody, who will help me? Hey! F1! I'm warm! F1 more! I'm warm more! Hey! Where can Ezechi be? Who will help me? Shimo! Where can I see Ezechi? Where can he be? There is problem, oh! Hey! Where can I see Ezechi? No, this is not happening. Ezechi! Is it fainting that you fainted? Ezechi! Ezechi! Ah! Ah! Ezechi, no! Ezechi, you must wake up! Ezechi, you cannot leave our son! There is a big problem! It's only you that can save us this time around. You have the solution. Ezechi! Ezechi, you have to wake up! Ezechi, you have to... Ezechi! Ezechi, you have to wake up! Hey! 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 Chima! Hey! What do I do? Ezechi, please wake up! Hey! Chima! Hey! 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 Hey!
My baby, don't you think we should go out and have some delicious food? So, babe, Jesus.
What?
Jesus, no,
babe.
What is?
What is?
I can explain, please.
What is going on here?
Babe, I can explain, please. Babe, please, I'm sorry.
Explain what? A savage. So this is who you are.
No,
What's going on here? Babe, who is she?
Upon everything I did for you, my husband is at home now dead, all because of you.
Please,
I gave you everything you needed. I gave you 25 million. Whatever you asked me for, I gave it to you. So you have the guts, the impetus to cheat on me? Oh my God, this is who you are. I warned you.
Babe, please.
Remember, I warned you.
It's not what you think.
Who is she?
Babe, it's not what you think. Please.
Who is she? You're calling an old woman.
Sorry,
Babe, what have you done? Babe, wake up. Babe, what? Babe, wake up. What have you done? Babe, please wake up. Babe, please wake up.
Ezechi, what is that, Ezechi? What is it?
Ezechi, come out.
Woman, where are you? Check.
Come out here, Ezechi.
Evil man, where are you, Ezechi? What is he?
Ezechi is not inside, though.
He's not inside. He must have run away. Ezechi! Ezechi, I told you that the gods have left you. Come out, your secrets have been revealed. Fake Ezemo, come out! Come out, let me speak to you face to face. You are not only an evil man, but you're also an adulterer. Come out! Come out, Ezechi!
Ezechi, come out here.
I'll get you. And I will say it to you face to face. Powerless man. Let's go.
Evil man.
Let's go. Fake Ezemo. This is unacceptable. It cannot be accepted.
Why should he do that kind of thing?
How can he continue to do something like that? This is bad.
Very bad.
Such a very bad thing. He killed his own daughter and buried her in a shallow grave. This man is evil. Very demonic.
What are you talking? I used to say this, but no one listened to me. He has left what he's supposed to be doing for the people. I believe he's on the run. He killed his own daughter.
Yes. He killed her because she was pregnant for the cousin brother Ebuka. Even Ebuka is on the run.
All right. Let's go to the palace and report to them what we saw.
Yes. We should go. Hi! Chai!
I can't believe it.
It shall never be well with him.
I can't believe it. Ezechi should thank the God that we did not meet him at home. If we had met him at home,
Yes, he's very lucky. Because how can a man continue to be...
Hey!
Look at the evil man! You see, you carried your evil. You have even destroyed my sander. Ezechi, evil man! I told you that the gods have left you. And whoever the gods have left dies like chicken. Look at the way you have died like chicken.
This is always the ways of evil men. That is it. Ana agwanti manti anoring. Ebu isi, ebu koronti.
Don't touch him. Don't touch him. Don't touch him. Let the gods deal with him the way he's going. Can't you also? Evil man.
You go and make sure that my car is ready. Just clean it up. I'm in a hurry. I want to go somewhere. Are you not hearing me? Is it not you I'm talking to? Why are you standing like a statue? Go and do what I asked you to do. Go and make sure that the car is ready. Why is it that I'm talking to both of you and you are ignoring me? What is going on here?
Mom, what is it?
Can you just imagine these local urchins? I'm talking to them and they are just ignoring me, standing like statues.
Are you not the one my mom is talking to?
Imagine.
Are you not the one my mom is talking to?
Son, just hold on.
What is it?
Forget about these people. They are not important right now. There is fire on the mountain.
Fire on the mountain?
Yes, we need to leave here immediately.
Why?
No time for question.
No, Mom, what is all this now? What is the meaning of all this?
Do exactly what I asked you to.
What happened? Talk to me, what happened?
You people should do what I asked you to do.
Mom, what is it? Talk to me, what is it?
We need to leave immediately. After I will explain to you.
Mom, I'm done. I'm tired of this nonsense.
What?
I'm tired of this nonsense. What is all this?
Why this noise? Why are you disturbing the palace? Woman, don't you know that you are no more needed in this palace?
You lie, Onowu. Do not tell me that nonsense. What right have you to tell me, instruct me?
Because he's the new.
Which Onowu? I did not ask you.
This is the new king, the king-elect.
No, shut that your mouth. No, how dare you talk to my mother like that? Are you insane? What that is? Are you insane?
I gave you order to.
Why would you talk to my mother like that? Are you mad?
What is this mad? Who is the new king?
No, leave this place.
Out of yourself.
Leave this place.
You people should get out of
here.
Get out of here. What is me?
Oh no, the chief priest is dead.
Dead?
Yes, he's dead.
That shoots him right.
Yes.
He is an evil chief priest.
Now leave my palace.
Dead.
All of you should get out of here. You're talking nonsense. Get out. Get out. Walk out. Get out. Get out of here. Get out. Leave yourself. Get out. Go. Get out. Look at you. Come on. What? Yes. I went there. Yes.
Look at the Why? For what? What is our why are you pushing me alone? This is the new king. This is the new king. Shoot one. Look at the person you should arrest. You guys should shoot me. I will get back to shoot me. All of you. I will get on the end. The end. I will deal with you. All of you. I must deal with you. You will see. I am coming back to deal with you. I will deal with you. Hey, officer, don't push me. Don't push me. You will see. I will deal with you. This is not the end of it. No.
Mama, Ebuka impregnated Chisom. How?
Chisom confessed everything to us. That is why I used to tell your father that no harm will come to Nene, my daughter. Because she is from my great-grandmother, from my father's side though. She used to be a sorcerer, a magician, a very strong woman. She reincarnated. You got to go. Oh, what if you don't enjoy me? Oh,
Mama, you get wetin Obiora tell me just now.
What is it?
Obiora say in a prince.
Prince?
Prince from which land?
Oh, he was serious. He said he's a prince.
Who dash monkey banana? Which prince?
Prince, you know, they are hazy. They will just wake up and become prince.
Prince.
At least. Wait. Chikaima, just relax. Huh? There is something I've been willing to tell you all this while. And I think you deserve to know the truth.
What be that?
Chikaima, I'm a prince. I came from a royal family.
How?
I am the son of King Williams. I have to leave now. I have to sort out some things. I'll see you later.
Mama? Mama?
Anyway, Ned, your husband is at the palace. He requests your presence. You and your children. Your presence is needed now.
Wait.
Yes. Follow me.
I hope saying it never happened to Papa. I go keep person. No.
Don't worry. Just follow me.
I am as surprised as you are. My daughter and your family, calm down. This man is here, Okonkwo Ferdinand, is our new Igwe elect of this great kingdom.
That was why I was asked to call you.
My friend Igwe Declan instructed me to hand over the ring of royalty to you as the next king of our kingdom.
Congratulations!
The Igwe elect of Umago Kingdom.
Congrats!
Obiora, what did happen for you? So truly you are a prince?
Come over here, my son. And this must be the one you must have been telling me about.
Yes, Father. Her name is Chikaima.
Greetings, sir.
I'm pleased to meet you.
Same here, sir.
Chikaima. I told you earlier that I am a prince. And this is my father, King Williams. Yes, I disguised myself as a copper just to search true love. And I found you. I am happy about it. And this is Fabian, my cousin brother.
I know Fabian, eh?
He's not a prince. I'm sorry this might come as a shock to you. I planned everything just to know and see if you could fall.
Obiora, you plan him?
I did, but you don't hit royals.
Sorry.
Come here.
Oh, Uche! 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 Oh. Your union will be fruitful.
Yes, sir.
You will be a male and female for your husband. Your reign will be greater than your father's reign.
Have I spoken your mind?
Oh, yes, you have spoken well.
You are blessed, my daughter. You are blessed, my son. You may now rise. Mbo, into, ina. Ngwa, ofu, mbo.
Chikaima no nonsense girl no yeah. Chikaima no send your papa yeah. She say fearless maiden yo. Chikaima no dey fear anybody yo. Chikaima no nonsense girl no yeah. Chikaima no send your papa, yeah. She say fearless maiden, yo. Jibri wo jibri da bri do bro, yeah. Yo. Her own day, her body, wahala no